usua mema kwaba adeba Adom TV. Jumedi a wo hwe ene enkransensam. Me amede ho chia me edi amye so ni takotego. Na me da se wodo afidie ato ha na wo hwe jumedi we. Ene jumedi ambedi na tifisem ne se a blueprint for thriving. A blueprint for thriving and a plan for flourishing. So abrabo betumpon. Say dia we nyina benya nkoso no. Say wonya hyehyeye bi to na yefa na blueprint no. You see, every day and every year comes with unprecedented moments that will all appear to shake us. Adechi bia na adesai bia emre bia bosume bia na afi bia no ya na nya wo ye bia no be woso shake you. So what I say wa wade mu sika sem wa pomodne wa disua nia wo na mu bia nda be shake up be puso na Kenya. But instead of worrying yourself, you have to learn the wisdom to deal with the shake-ups. Nanso so sebana sanwa ye samrem na betete ebobo aye ha samre na shake up na ba no ebe hia se be penyansa ne nimde ya de bubra na wabrabo aye krabehwe. Every situation you face should find you asking yourself certain questions. Set bia bia ba wabrabo mu a me se otimi bi so say, how am I going to survive this? We so kwan ben so na men fa metimi afamu na medin konim eba ne se wa de mu sika sem wa brabo mu adwuma mu nsam atomodni mu na ebia woso bi abamu ase unsas sifom ase ne man koyi a mensu emmosobo entwedwa asu enwinwi entete na emom transidi na bi se ne atumi kwan ben so na mefa so afiri mu apie. What am I willing to sacrifice? A day na my crowd say me jamu. Na day na my crowd say me fa kama bra bo ho a me bu bra me buoyi na na me komu ayeye. What do I do or what do I not do to overcome this time? Day na say me yo. Na day na ni say me yo. On so asem na to. Ebia nneoma bi a wo yo ye na do bedum pempenso a wadu yi a abrabo nkoyi. Enti say obi say day na say me yo biomu a mesakra mabrabo mu ana nneoma be na ese me jamu a me yo a me betimi ajayo na aboa me ebiom. Who should I run to? Why na mekọ no ha akọje afutuo? Why na mekọ no ha akọje akwankere? Why na mekọ no ha akosua de afri ne amenamu? De awofam bia ne kan ne kan obi afamu da. De awofam bia ne kan ne kan obi wosuahunu ewo mu. Enti gya ese wusu no na bi sa why ho na mekọ? Why ho na mekọ se wanyo obia ye won krata ahodo ye tintim ya betimi akokan bie ene ewo enema bebre ewo sa abafo afidi efe na internet so a benye obi a wacho bibia betimi na bubura na simu na wo ye nyoma wo ye na. You have to ask yourself, what do I hope to get with my current way of thinking and doing things? Enem na metiwe ni amenamu ni amefamu adwene amedwene hen na de meduro ene ya amefai ene hen na meduro enyonko amene omunam hen na won meduro onipa amekoje ne ho akwankyere hen na ode meduro ese wankasa wosamu eyi adwene a wodwene se adwene a wodwene ne be ko pempenso a opeso okono ana anampo adwene a wodwene ne be ma asan wachi abu abamu ene ya wafa wode ya adwuma no ebetumi adu pempenso a opeso okono na kwakwa bi so say what next? Me yesa ne ma wunya awie na medwene adwene a medwene nyina awie a ehin na de meduro meka wonsa sifom meka mfunso bi aba meka wadi nkuguo meka osi ne ma enkoyie di ne ma na enkoyie na adwene be na abadwene na ama onioma akoye wo timu na Kenya watenka na Kenya one ye na korakora na hin na do beduro hwe se asem to wa ya na eya yene se meka na brebre yo se asem to wa ya na futuo kora ya na enko utim oye odie ba ya na futuo kora enko utim na mom se futuo enko utim a samrem na se ogie futuo ni akwankyere samremu na you should be ready to make the necessary adjustments. You should be able to make the necessary sacrifices and make the necessary changes to your lifestyle. Ebi abrabo wa bubu su samre wo suban bia wo na adie. Wo ye ne ebi a wo yo. Wo adwene bia wo kofa so dwene. Samre mu no na sa wo transe boko. Na hunu se ba bia samre free beto wo no enfiri esoro. Na enfiri su ase. Ete ban wo. Enu nti no wan kasa na ese utimi bubura bi. Eye neoma bi. Edwa adwene bi. Ko sisi abrabo be ko yie. Fanse bia ware na enko yie. Sesa wotumi hu nie ya obetimi ayo na ede odo ede ni obuo beba awade anim enye so be hejaja na abufuo na awerɛhoɔ da bi emmoa saa abufuo na awerɛhoɔ ne hejaja ne beba ka kyerɛ sɛ nyina faako wo mmoa me sɛ me fa nyansa na adwene pa ene ne yɛ pa betimi asakra saa awade mu eba ne sɛ bia wo nya adwuma enye hahayo sɛ me kɔsradi ene di mpuntu bebrɛwo obesira kodi mmara he sɛ utimi transe bi sɛ de na me so metimi ayo na bibia ba kama brabo ho de na metimi aka ma brabo ho na me so madimu de na meyo a me so menya sika bi asie ba bie na matumpon nya wo fam no obi afamu da. Have you tried to find out why you are feeling how you are feeling? Asam to wa sɛ obi sɛ ade na matin kai hejaja sɛ yi ade na me di awere ho ade na mebufuo abai Bonu say, ni nyina nyina so eye wadwene a wodwene. Therefore, instead of questioning what you are putting in your day, instead of questioning what kind of thoughts, instead of blaming others, you must find out how you can face your crisis. Adana me fa we mu, me nko na me bre, me nko na de we eye me, we na to me na dabi. Saa de no na watwa so. Na mmom wa bisa ho kwan bench na mefa so na mefri tibia me we mu tibia na mu oya tibia na enko yie de nanso so abrabo en nyene totin. Life comes to all of us with a certain amount of difficult moments, disappointments and setbacks or stress, and these will automatically elicit negative emotions. Brabo ayebwe bo ha enye ebu a unsabe si form ebu a consider beba ebu obeye ha ni nyina ka brabo ho na mom eba na sa no ade Kenya wadwen pon so ne se adwene a ensem fata na badwene mabre we de me hu amanio dabi obi kire me se eba na sa na stop there ka kire on se ja adwene a wodwen semre mu enye mra se wo de adwene a ensem fata beto adwen pon so Semremu enyemra esa wo Kenya atenka enko yie. Negative emotions only serve as barriers to right thinking. So Kenya abomfiayo. Wo Kenya awerɛhoɔ ne abufuo na ɔyɛ a esi adwene pa ekwan. Wɔn ne America no sɛ wo Kenya awerɛhoɔ, wo Kenya abomfiayo, wo Kenya abufuo ne hahayo a esi adwene pa ekwan. Negative emotions only serve as barriers to right thinking. Yes, it has happened. Yes, probably you have just started to think negatively, but remind yourself, say the atomie no, enya adwene a me dwene betumi aboa me. Say me say adwene a me dwene ho. I should think positive thoughts to change my emotions. Say me adwene a sefata, adwene a edimu, adwene a hyeme nkuran, na me dwene ho. Nempo anye ye kura na betumi Kenya me na manya adwene pa enya eniye pa edisu aye ne ame ya mabrabo bekoyie minia subani a wukura wa brabo mu empo susu ya wukura nyina na nyina so aye adwene a wodwene suban a woda na adie eni timopo a wofa nyina na nyina so eni kwa afa so dwene eto eya ankoyi a eya sempo sesifo ya nanso so samre mu no ebaba ne se badwa adwenfi a manwa adwenfi pa adwenpa na pa futupa na fobubura onyame enka ho onyame nhira ho na me fa na ase emadwumafo obo a me adwuma ba mo ho eye Francis ena empo camera ni a hweme so ena osmosis ne sound of war ena Priscilla ni weba kampedu a mo bo ame woni onyame ntina okira ye behia.
No sia body mama yama munyina chemo akwa banfa Adom TV Badwam kase so yadani ase ne nkranhye nsem so anopai na ebroso so maimu nsem no kakra yensa kan anopai wutie bie na ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betie ne afia no ahia achade be na wo bɔ no boa ade akɔkye hampers no kwa na sanko yade mu nsem no ebebra na fe yakɔ Ghana fo bi nso ewo sikabotin bi a wo matwade to ho se afi won di bedi bronya no na afi wode ahye new year ni mu ye bekɔ sansem no emu MPP fo nso sre edwadifo se niam no monte so se be ya atofo nso betimi ato sansem ni nsem bi na no pay bede bro Adom kase medi afia amankwa tamaklo ko Facebook/Adom TV kase no ho Go TV 176 DSTV 280 afia ni die mutie nsem no nkyeremu sɛde etie afia no ahia biem nti adofo ne adofo ahia checheche ye ho ne ma hodo ema anigye eba fie nti Adom kase ekomonte so kohwe sɛde hampers no tie na wo mo atonton bie no sa fie die aban ne de ba ye sɛ MMDC no mu achede hampa bia nti no sɛde etie ne Adom TV edeba
afi we die in fact mama yenka previous years no it was very good na market wo ho but I feel we market are very slow. Enyema ye crayfra brochure, chocolates, biscuits, de be hampers. Bibia academ. Your boxes ye order bibia academ. Ti say de ka e na beto yen adwuma ye for na ye hampers ne so. We 3,000. We ubenya fox biscuits if ramanone. Ubenya set of glass. Ye very nice. Your coffee mates, your non-alcoholic, your fruit juices, your nuts. We have Baileys, we have cognac, we have vodka, we have coffee mate, we have tin, we have 1.5 liter fruit juices inside.
So far, it's okay. People are still coming in, making orders. Yeah, it's good. We have hampers ranging from 100 cedis to, we can even get your hamper for 1,000 cedis. And you can customize your own hamper as well. You get rice, cornflakes, you get a lot of things. I can't mention everything, but you get a very big hamper for 1,000 cedis. Yes. For me, I always say that this year is better than the previous year. Like there's always an upgrade. There's always something different.
Yenguswa ngo bronya Daniel emu eniema na Ghana fo bi etwesika botin bi ato ho a wo mo edibedi bronya no Adom trotro dwumadi so yi won so de won budget etudwa
nya we de afi we bibia aboa ye din kitasika ko dudu akra obedu wono hu de agoto na osiga nyina asa enti de nyambe ye bia ye bedi mi wa 10 million bi da ho enti eja mi di to akukọ baako na mi to eye mo kakra to anwa na me ne mebusanfo nyina yete no nya yedi ensuso na bronya se yensu yedi bia no
bronya yi de ye hwede no mo ma ya na ye besi enku akukọ baako ani appoint mienu bi se nyame aboye mo ban fine pa oh mo be 200 bi a me di be sa adwuma no
200 Ghana be so akukọ baako appoint mienu
se ye hwe ye be ko kura si de e ko akukọ no mo bo ye de
o de ba be fro ka o in the house cry saying
e be bronya no kura si o
but at least it do about the total normal kakra bi we nya be say 1,000 bi a bit me there year or rounds bi normal it's okay me okay with that me family ni ade you bit me manage no there year no ma bia
me dey 4 million be di me send me 2 million na 2 million me dey check me how far
how far no checking how far saying
what is me my girlfriend be be gi ani e be pie
200 never sum
normal
moko transport na moko 200 Ghana
yeah e ko transport
drink na there 200 na say mo lorry fare kra in and out
ebi wo morality so no problem
manyo bono de adesrepa na eto adwadifo nyina nim se ne die kwan so niema no se de sidi ni gina ne nan so dollar no wone no pe enti nkebe ya wo mo ntete niema so se be ya yenso ya ba beto no ekomba hinhan ye wo mo nsemi ensentwofo nhia mudi ase na chocho ni Justin from Ponkudua editudwa
da o mampani ase nyasa ase ne se anoma a watu a waboa ma sikasem no ejina no na afiri so waboa ma petroleum prices eba from no on tokoso nembra from kwa even more na de e won wane se ye nnuamo a omo ne ye kwa kansie na se opposition party NDC for mo be kaya bra no mo den na seed na ho den ba form na afi so petroleum price boss no omo so pa ba ne pa atwitwa boye enne na petrol bo aba form enne na seed na nya ho den no NDC force in fraban amanya hwe ebra no ma mo ye den di fraban na no ma ba form dia in fraban enye wonwa in NDC ye na atwum no sa ndi no so motie etoso biem ye nyina di tum se ye hwe oman sika se ma oman ho odin a na ebra yiwo ma na ho kyewum ye nka se ye free ahokyere mu na emum kwan ye nam so ene se de atutu no ma no ye didie se emretia mu no oman no ntoma pan be afefra asre mu se petrol bo aba fom yenim se dollar no so ahoɔden aba fom seed na nya ahoɔden enam sanso nti hyɛmboɔ yatete so nti yɛbɛsrɛ yɛnnuamo a ɔmotɔn adeɛ yɛ traders mo a motɔn cement mo a motɔn iron rods plywood gotafo ɛne trade unions nyaa sɛ mo a mo nya yɛbɛsrɛ mo mfa ma no ntum na mo so mo tetum nɔma so sɛ ɛbɛboa ma Ghana
Adom TV Badwam kaseɛ na oguso hwɛ no na eku mmienu bi kɔbɔ wɔn sesen wɔ mmarahyɛ badwafoɔ wɔn anim hɔ no mo pɛ nsɛm ahodoɔ na wɔn de ɛkɔtɔ mpanimfoɔ yɛ anim cathedral sika anikwan sɛ aban no wɔn mo agye to mu ne nneɛma ahodoɔ bi a aban so wɔtoto mu no ne nyinaa wɔn mo bɔ nnwo so Adom TV ɛtoa so
wɔ magina kyɛmɛ kusun kyɛmɛ ɔkame chaito okay petition about parliament oni no ne ba wo magina chema na okay justice for Ghana be achamu ni watch na kan tumu oka wa na we be few of them amralo yin ne kwale tu ni ohaya e wo oman mu aye nyina ye bre akufa do ss yesika sesi a ono ankasa wakasa 2023 nantia ni mesia for mo nye edwuma enye government edwuma mo edwuma. At a time when it is only 10% of Ghanaian youth who graduate from schools that get employment. Let's say, how am I? Now we're 80 million. Now we can say, we pursue a sorry dying at Yamania. For what? Cathedral by no see a person, you see 80 million Ghana city. The building, you see that. Young penny, Sababa, yes, I did. Almost fast as can at Tiana phone. Any national service personnel up to now, I buy no one win.
By now, Yanni obetumi be a Sabaya, Yensika no benya no mo nyam to order shisha would be beba taxes a hood or for be ba. The order that on so why yes, Roberto Tumo, not ranking member da finance committee no Urato Forsen say a new crowd the one pow. Yes, if fruit juice in electrical gadgets be electrical cigarettes. Aban no ayɛ sɛ wɔde toɔ ɛba abɛto so wɔn so wɔn mpene ne mpenechina deɛ kɔ so mmarahyɛ badwa fiem ɛnie.
Here we are introducing taxes on cigar, spirits, alcoholic beverages. We consider those things as a sin tax. So that one we do agree with government because we need to deter the youth from smoking and drinking those spirits, alcoholic beverages. And they move to fruit juice and other beverages. Mr. Speaker, so what is the point again? You are taxing us when we take alcohol application and the rest, you are taking taxes from us. If you want to stop drinking application, you want to drink fruit juice, you want to also take tax from us. So do you want to kill us in this country? Do you want us to run away from this country? It's not fair. Let's stick to the alcoholic beverages, tax those people who take the cigar and what. But we those who have repented and want to take fruit juice and beverages, leave us alone. Leave us alone to live longer.
Ne krakra ena mmarahyɛ badwa ne ɛwɔ yapeko sogu ɛde to dwa ɛwɔ mmarahyɛ badwa fie sɛ aban enhu wɔn mu anyini ɛwɔ man mu mɔbɔ esanse asra yi wɔ so a ɛboa ɛma wɔn widie mu ɛdwe wɔn fam na sese ya wɔde ɛto akɔ akɔto so yi ɛde wɔ hawo ɛna bɛbrɛ wɔn mu.
This snuff, it relaxes the body for our grandfathers. My grandfather, I do not use snuff, but my grandfather uses the snuff in order to calm down his blood pressure. Now you are saying this snuff, this small one that is taking, you want to tax it. Mr. Speaker, even the cigarette, one stick, one drop. Cigarette, one drop, just one drop for a filling. They want to tax $0.02 on that stick of cigarettes. But what even surprises me is that after all these taxes, they are going to get only 400 million.
Mayentwa so na sikasemu ntoto ye Ghana Statistical Service for the atudwa say economy no wo third quarter no emu no nyame anim ne nya kono ne nya yie kura nkoyi eno so wo mabubu o man ye gina pia wo sikasemu eno de nsemi atudwa
either quarter on quarter na on month on year on year na share third quarter 2021 na de to third quarter 2022 ho ye hu de economy or ye nyama ye produce wo Ghana han ne final value no o ma no mudo by 2.9% between the third quarter or year 2021 na third quarter 2022 share fee subsectors no wa fema sector ne growth rate between the third quarter 2021 na third quarter 2022 Oma Numudo ye agricultural sector or grow by 4.6% or ye inyama ye produce within the agricultural sector ni subsectors ibini poultry ibini crops ibini fishing and ibini forestry Oma Numudo by 4.6% between the third quarter of 2021 and the third quarter of 2022
anyway wakade to asese obu nkonta de betudwa se ya woni asoya hodo kabi wonfo etena se na afei nsunso wa wonya ye no wo mo ahwekwan ye befa so na abo amoma yisikasem etimi agina nanan so
in Ghana Statistical Service they to go ada ye hwehwe ma policy makers wa ye nyede oye ministers na were in charge of areas na ya bobon ye nwo batena from ne bisa on the manufacturing sector no baneden na o manumudo by 0. Oberform by 0.9%. Construction sector and Yebisa minister and the Obandeno Oberform by 0.6%. In a fishing so also the highest growth rate within the agri sector by 10.0%. No, Yabo Shishemi who dab oye potia on whom dam growth rate. Now as a country no will learn from each other across the ministries.
Mayentwa Kasiano Aswe na MPP 4 NNA wode NDC fo anim se womo anya krado na womo debate eba no amanyo ensemu ideas womo no so share fanu no mienu na twetwe ni my MPP Justin Frimpon Kodua na de afutuo ma wura fifi kwete ya wono ye twetwe ni de ma NDC amanyuko no ese e wo so oba na wo kire no kwan ya faso eye politics anya propaganda itumi bua mo Michael animo Adom TV etwaso
we did general secretary now nyandibi nti wo mesi we me junior na me yo senior nti wo senior futu kakra me de mema one se akonya na fe na waba nti ama me nche no makakra na position a wabenya sisi no we ne se wa di position na propaganda secretary we no enye propaganda sem
san kato aso se MPP amanyuku no aye krado se wonom ede NDC amanyuku no ebefa ntetie mu a kire wonom senia eduru abato a obetumi aboaboa wo ma no ano
the sake of our country democracy and also to prevent them from telling their supporters to go on the street to cause mayhem when they have no evidence. We have decided to offer it what we lawyers call pro bono freely, the technical support to assist them in how to collect results in elections.
Wasanso de to manfo nyina animu se no yoya ndisa amanyuko no da na die ewo afimpinu ane eduru no abato na kire no obia enkasenti ane titiru ene se asedu nkati ankasa ba bontene so abeka se ebra wonom ekọ asemdibia no na woni nyina so bia
His Excellency John Mahama onso so ebra bia obenya kwan bia no no kasatia judiciary for ama otu omudi nkwa unanimous FC ni nyina chi nyina no na NDC for nim se no mun se omuni nya so bia entimi nwa am central for ne Ghana for asema yebusa ne se enti NDC for de mo ye kanyame enye mu afofiri ana kentokwasi o mem ho a kasabi mom ye kunkun ye ho akontokwa na nyina so bia eni so
Benye no so na Adom TV Badwam kasia no pay na ha ne brema kwan na ye de asie de du so no online stories ne de bonkrata no so ye crowd o man hene kwabna Asante aka Benjamin Asante Dako ejina na so de den 24/7 o de to ne nanim ko obebo ahye o wa hase yakaso obenya be ma no but all the same me mo akwa ba bi agya ato ho dodo
yo
ebi aboko
ebi adom me catch you say ade no ben na who say eja wo no am ko na te say emo 5 kg no me ensa free me fie let's say bunya no be kakra me who say yes ben nti me catch you say
aben that we na 23rd
yeda
and 22nd
yeda aban so ase em say my phone shall say nyanya alert
sir
nti no ni yeda ye be da private businesses for also ye be share say adam ase na also I check your phone so alert nti me fan ko enim abrabo na ye bo
sa waso be shi January
de bi ade aso be shi o ja me de ko ba de
bia mo check akra
me sire mo amofa mrantem na ye ni ntem ye wuzi ye be chire kom January na yakọ enim kan
how kwa ye mie phone lines emrantem na ye check akra
o do pa we do na be ka chom se emrantem
madam emrantem
0302
yes eni kwa se emrantem
701 ekosi 4 akatua emra sisia ana encha emko achiri kakra sana December akatua no emra brebe na otwi entom ana say 29 to corona entom 0302
yes
211 701 entom sisia I say nam de ye den show now na osia kono
wenye we yo
entom sisia because eto me kai go suppose afama me too much entom sisia ututu nyoma kama
January bo
utia light bill utia water bill na wato mo kakra na wato eyi kakra entom sisia na ko twa ending na say na
January mu tesa January be ya
Francis
bro me fa Francis be France anopai ye mo ache e mo official pa
sure
Africa mama tiano mama ye kobla santena atefia mo ya tepa
ya dase
but ne na kutio no lo ba sisi ye kesi ko lo ba na yizi ntamna
yo ya dase e bank ma na January wa ba besu ye mo se banki moon banki moon ya mo official pa afisa se na pa eme enti na emra sesi ana ye entwen kakra
so atatwende wonye sare na me do hamne se awaya tangwa otorogen ha no man e send it to ram do mun de sukrao do mo na man put for dum no mun de no man so madam se
yes ya das baby a wo mun de so
yedin chirimo ma woni samen kasa
sami ono pe ye mo official pa
afen komoti no
afisa se na hode ne nkwa wo ho
amen
yo yenti emra sesi ada entwen kakra
aketiana nka onchona 31
eno no aha yo adai obi a kire na
31 ansano aba
aha okay onso adwen kire no ya adwen kire na omba mienu ba ya kwa side de wanye obi se 31 sami ya da se pa e wo se twen kakra enti sa se ye gini this week kura de se china kura Friday ne se ye gia e china ye 23rd aka 23rd 24th 5th 6th 7th 8th 9th 30th 31 aka 8 days more ocha agune nkumana ocha no pay yam official pa
I think me fine o she give me an company give
mentio ocha from
but me
offense
yeah
okay
Papa, na sigani open setbed ede ye ya
emrani waso ba shio
enyede
maza
ebedu 10 January no waso ya shio
enyeshi ya tirenwa
unya na tedie ken omanyire ken wo mu je wo ye to ni ma na
o tutu ni o makwe
yo
emra
yo ebedu o wa ba be so afro okay yamfa beno so ebe na no pe yam official pa yo afisa se na nkwa hodin wo ho emra sesi ana ntwen kakra
buka de do fe dinner da ya di ba ye
me
da dinner na trema buka wi
enti emra sesi ana emra da be
emra ye fe dinner kra
o se emra
1st January
aha mo
December the emra 1st January
o de wu
minua
ye nya mo tene ba de fe ye be twa dinner
dabi enena wa sie sika papa
dabi na do obi be ka obekire ne dia na wo dife wo pesa wo woni ne bantai na dwen kire because abasesi na 22nd 23rd ya so be ya yemfa na college
I'm not seeing any navy. I must say. I feel you. Apai. We the Embra man ma 2 plus neutrals no mo so na omo dey say 24 so but ni dem no whichever way dey bad dey mai bia no what it tells you ni say any December any January nko na onya financial management ya sha fi bia ase a osika sem ntotoye man very relevant to you. It's very important. Ya shemu kina ebra edu December any February any January any February esan say sa abre no ana sika sem nkomodie ni kitawde no ani mo evrem kakra but from January ebepem December unya sempo ne kapra na odi tekuni di aka ne BCC kakra ese say also cultivate say o salary ni delay kra na still o wa to so kakra bia wetimi do why dey atoso nti ekoma yina yen cultivate that habit. Times are tough. If you abeka say hand to mouth, that same hand to mouth no o kate certain expenses be free home now the sa hono kusia a baby beba and home for so at their mind. So it's important that we are. And this month, January, of course, will show love and care, sir, but this very month, dear, you the extra mile, then show a love and care, sonko, your next door neighbor or community, baby, abia, a UFO war in your cabinet, we see a phobia war, a year, you can't say washing bay, guys, be so go on, Lorry Parks, now door, if you be more on my, Nipper be also observe, say, one of the DM, one entire shame, one kasem. The little that you can support somebody with, very important. And kase a 15 t-shirt, a 100 t-shirt, a more bottle back, a 20 between the and never. Monsua, bibi beka obia, akuma or the bebremno. Mon demonstrate and in tear, na mo mani parents are dear no. When you saw, and you are going to say they are bro. Until we are kicking at the brem. Saturday binum sutia. So be chawadi if na kuma ma also je free wa kuma na danase na shira no if we say wo timi fra ka wo nyina se it's important say wo timi fra ka wo nyina se ti wo nyina se ho na de watima fro na ba abete mango mienu bi di ama wote da bi mango ro wate be 50 dia show botom tino ka wo ma me 10 and I am 15 and I also fro kwe because we fruit twi mango dua no na 80 tim no wo say say titie. Let's learn to be appreciative. It's very important to be grateful.
And with the annual FSM, Bishop Adolfo some gratitude.
Yeah, let's learn to be very grateful.
And one year
gratefulness now too much.
Ending the year well.
Yeah.
Dear now they done yamiasi. Dear now they do biasi.
Very important.
My Trinity, as a December, I'm doing no chair because Santa da free mu tonight. Mamen come in. I said, "Me who the mobile? March. Oh yeah, answer besu." And see gratitude.
Yeah, gratitude.
Yeah, appreciate it. Exactly. Say yes.
Yes.
Yeah, nani pass. Maybe crown all the show. Maybe at the oba no be the next time or ba consignment a good track him and whatever. It do be a year. Yeah, na say. Okasa bebre empo awafo say. Yeah, I say a warrior.
It's normal.
Oh, the Maya, I also the Maya the edge. But yes, sir.
You have to.
Sir?
You have to.
Say appreciate it.
Very important.
I worry for who cannot shower dear. Then I say, I just don't kunenti. Now, one thing soon need the mud, yeah. I don't have a friend. I did change us our friend at Twasso. I don't know, so you'll be at the say. Yen, I daddy and was say. Your chair ammonia and way say. So, your day and penny for say. He said, you'll be an in sir, no matter what a bit or more park or conam say, hey, when your money and was a park or car.
When he born a test, I don't care a mentor. Now, Sako can it is so. Your casa chardia, and you'll be all the phone quan, a BBA, I actually say, Uncle Chardy. You're careful. I did channel a dear free wacumum, and the most important thing, can say, made the minibi, unibi unshatter, they only do unum's own combat. So don't wait till say I want to say over billions. It is spillovers now on and other better. You're careful about that. If you believe you almost in charge there. Or they are shitty teams in Amiano, major damage to say. Sasren tubra in a better. Sasren tubra in a better. And of course, social media is flooded. The communications directory or NDC Amanu Kudumo. One penino and rather or Kunyan Hokani. And we want to congratulate him, lawyer Sami Jenfi, on any hokeni and rather Bibiako kama. Ono say a dinner kama. Na me say or steps I did SSA. It was so beautiful. Let's continue to wish them well. So nyame sa journey no ma be wrem no on form smoothly. Na bibia nko kama. Ntenra NDC for nso amko MPP for amko ina lawyer Justin Kodua why Kofi mpayinfo amko free MPP mko ina NDC mpayinfo ina the former and current chairman ina na mo wase Emma Valerie Sawyer nso na wase the former president John Dramani Mahama, Julius Debra, Ibrahim Mahama, Ira Totobi Kwachi, anybody who matters in the party, NDC, was present to grace the occasion. So, I mean, we wish you well and correlations and so I'll be joining Ampedumo. Ampedumo 4, 5 years, 6 years in relation our dear Omude Somo Yamkwada. Yabinimu, Aka, oh, share. I can't feel 9. Now you fear you know. Until 16 years in marriage, you know, we can pick a little anointing from Elder Amos Kevin Anand. Also, yeah. Near to me to the 2 for. Jabrefi, you be 2 for. That be a company with 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 years. On cross or tenor, you ain't see anything yet. You know, Sammy, 16 is not a joke. Brefi, I mean, Mincho, Hakwa, for so to Anamo. I see what you say. The first one is that who do fear on your communications officer, on your lawyer, or your husband. And no kind of virtues of a husband. It comes with a lot of responsibility and compromise and humility. Tibrefie, we can make your say, I owe the old sister, but the man will hire him or the brefi. My correlations. I'm not Gabia Sarachula, considering 20th anniversary, wedding anniversary. They celebrated it. It did 20 years. I was with Enye djuma keto o se wa o jina ha no o so jo so lo ka je the cameras me dey kire wa je obi a obi etiri mesrew mo yire mo ho na institution ba kwa animonyam e wo mpayi wa behwe ahemachi bia Kofi Ampadu ne ne yire ne ma video call. Hey honey, hello, be good. Hello, I love you. Hey Kofi dey kan me do. I'm going to food here. And a honey so be maybe honey a war understand there there be go for abrochi wo a ho ahomte fagana wo no e na bo ze mu no musano nya da ye ni na free. So there's a lot to talk about, but over Ghana ni be Ghana and Komodia, I think there's nothing really much talking about it. MPP press conference sikasema ene binum say tikana sa ko 9 ibinum say sa ko ena ye dey.
Yes say
no
kasasa say ya mpa ya hu ye
no dey
maybe I wish you
can opekura man nko do 200 cedis to $1 ye nyina say na asa I say dey work Ghana fufuru bi dey na man ko mpa ye kura ne say nko 1-to-1 1-to-1 a dan kabeba from car kabeba from so kabeba from aduane kabeba from apomudi nko mo kabeba from o dey o kwa on pay say shoot because wa ko $1 na to do bon pay say ensem page animo no was atwetwe aban mo de bonye why am you solve the problems of this country why are part of the problem solving now you're the part of creating problems for this country one kasa wasem but so no so tie chase wa cost $1 o pr o we mai dey o tie chase wa cost $1 14 no bon pay Christmas e be 22 uwe o so sa ahwe eno na anwe ne se no $2,000 no na anwe ne se no a wa boka no because on at 14 nti ene about 9 or say 8 no what do you so mpa ye bia ni ho abebo a be page $1 na ko wiem nti odunfu kufu ayi no ono ka se menka ele be sia na contract ani mze da be kai contract ani mze oh
Prince Tego.
Oh, but what happened?
Yes, oh, the fraud Blasters assistant coach.
Oh, I don't want to want your Moasia, no one day. I could do something.
Because some day I
oh, sometimes that approach.
Now, so Kobu coach is hired.
If you are not any boo, sir, I be a team who has a creative fast.
It says, because some more deal until no be here, dear, be a money now.
Daily graphics say, despite MOFE's intervention, food prices still high. Minister of Agri, Fana Muntu, Mutu, still, Mujili said, Norma Bono still also. PRC to adjust tariffs again on January 1. and was the anchor there by and must NDC Sami Jemfi out of bachelor's market and another on this side before no etron kwanta omopaye. Daybreak say Dairy snubs Akufo-Addo's directive over recruitment and what's them say Daily Ghanaian Guide is to say JFK speaks on recent developments in the country and the new publisher court stops Afaridonko and Mutawakili stay off Roman Rich house and then Sami Jemfi grabs new wife. GRA cracks down 9 retail shops at Achimota Mall. Daily Guide anyone say I saw Aisha Juan at Galamsey site. Sans charge sheet amended. And the big one, apologize for election petition drama. MPP tells NDC. E-levy amendment bill tabled. The new Crusading Guide. Let's commend Akufo-Addo for reviving Ghana's economy. MPP for Nekase. And caught in Jan's Matawakil and Aferi over Roman Ridge property. And it was looming trouble in Christian Divine Church. Apostle Boy in the eye of the storm. The Chronicle near DV say MPP's message to Ghanaians: economy is being restored, but we are not out of the woods yet. And scammers use deputy minister's name to dupe job seekers. If you are mankwa be creative and nay, if you are mankwa, Gigi ni pa ko immigration. If you am go
nipa mo money da ho.
If you am go immigration.
Na minister be no obeye adwuma wo
So be ya no aka say go processing documents amount send we bra. Now go send 5,000 ko.
E ma frustration
ma wo gina hana obi so akire wan. Yaka dachi na no be wo nani. Yaka dachi.
So evidence.
Oh,
like who example?
Who that in a Sikabe go for so a open double money. I'm saying Boko big girl boy that
they on one to cry as a phone.
Ah, I mean, the boss of Krana Obuze at 12.001. You go boom, 001 if you have Fatico.
It's a jollof on a bus that by you. Oh,
a 30th.
And no channel so Adom Yanim FM. Harmonious and Advent Voices.
Okay,
so
Advent.
Edia Mayanti sharp near Jina Park you saw then your moon flow. Tia do biasi. Programs na feni ashasi agudi mon sem kejuana nkasa ye krado. Efi sem wo hom pensem mon so ho twen yesesi a na dwumade ni yahehye de amon yedase.
Right, fantastic morning. Rasu Yenri and some of course good oneexpert.com. Chivas Mesta and I think so no I set him on and roll on my sponsors and open working where they ba. Kijona Kasani, Erica Sieduberi, Ebeshasia DFE and Ano Ghana World Cup by Kokopimu, Husikasem. I have something which is the Kopimu or Rashe Bidremua na a sports minister Ankasan Kopimo. Akwa kochire mu sane bibia esie ko esansa na manfo ebisa se sen na Ghana e de koye na heni di wo mu ti sabre yen hyase enfamfi sports minister na cheche mu a okọ parliament kokọ cheche mu no.
Mr. Speaker, you may recall that prior to Ghana's participation to the World Cup, I informed this House that our estimated budget at the group stage was 8.8,166,200 United States dollars. Out of this estimated budget, Mr. Speaker, our total expenditure for the group stage participation amounted to 5,171,840 United States dollars. These expenditures covered appearance fee, per diem, flight arrangements, medicals, equipment, logistics, and hospitality. Mr. Speaker, the reason for the surplus of $3 million after our exit from the group stage is as a result of the ministry's prudent management of resources, as well as the ministry's decision to negotiate on qualification bonus for the next round instead of paying winning bonus per match. What this means is that in spite of our blaster defeating South Korea in our second group match, we did not pay any winning bonus.
Right, Honorable Sports Minister, actually, Musika, do I copy more World Cup and I see oneexpert.com. Can we copy more Ghanaian Premier League? So, twice when matches call so the Anama for any woman, Matema Kumasa, and a Korokoni Brukum Chelsea, copy Zeze, and a Mukwala, 2 goals, Makoroko, winning 2-1 over Rikum Chelsea Kumasi.
Switch to the far side. That's good play from Emmanuel Sapon. Brekum Chelsea using the width of the field to an advantage. Poor cross. But, oh, that's the first goal. Classic goal from Brekum Chelsea from that faulty pass from Andrews Kojo Apao. And look at the way they go. Celebration galore. Brekum Chelsea shoot themselves into the lead.
Afo linking up very well there. The moment he gets the ball, he's just looking at that cross. But just look at that clearance, not the best of clearance, but he falls for Sapon, and what a goal. Yeah, he started the move, spreading play to the right side, Afo with that one-touch pass, and Essien quickly picking him up on the right, delivers in a wonderful cross. Here, Apple should be clearing his lines. It fell for Sapon, and what a hit.
And then he gets the ball as Kotoko comes forward. This looks good. It's Stephen Mokwala across the face of goal, and Kotoko are back in the game.
Yeah, Ifege with a pass. Beautiful pass here. And this is what Mokwala loves. Just cutting the ball back, and guess who was there in the right position at that time? It's Zeze.
Epic encounter between Asante Kotoko and Brekum Chelsea as center referee. George Vomawa gets us underway. Kotoko are playing from right to left. Brekum Chelsea will be getting ready to bring on some fresh limbs. Header is on, and that's the second goal. Oh, this was spot on from Stephen Mokwala.
It's a big header to beat Obin Setre, who is in tremendous form. Just look at the delivery here. Nobody marking Mokwala. The ball was just slightly behind him and manages to get the header on time.
Right, Metema Kumasa Sane Koroko Timenya 3 maximum points so Kumasa against Brew. Now Stephen Mokwala and I didn't tip him born to mu nice Sane dia. What's he said in any Wumupano so by the top scorer Afi.
Basically, what I can say, I feel so delighted to score for my team. It has been teamwork, basically. Yeah, so each and every game we make sure that we have to win and give the win for the biggest team in Africa.
Again, you came back from a goal down. How was the feeling like when you went down? I mean, we've seen you come back in many matches, but again, you came back in this one again and you showed character.
Yeah, we came with a mentality of winning, so that's our target, and our coaches were emphasizing on the win. So we came in this game knowing that we have to win. That's how we had to make and put up a good fight.
Does this win gives you the confidence that you can score many goals for Kotoko this season?
Yeah, basically, that's my ultimate goal for being a goal king and helping Kotoko win more trophies this season. Basically, this win we give it to our beloved fan who lost his eye last season. Yeah. Basically, what I can say, I feel so delighted to score for my team.
Right, meno ne de brad tuja honomo na other results pass to Team United and Tamale City game no Zolo and Dream FC Bokin Faisa 2-0 Caroline Mediema ebo 1-1 and Kotoku Royals Legon City scoreboard on Miensa 1-2 Kotoku Royals Jumana Yaden Cape Coast na so musio makan ne say Legon City satimako bomo a 1-2 ante ne kesa 7 so AC etie and so honomo na mamemfa we ntwato the president of CAF Mochepe na densa moto dwa se de Morocco fo akwakoye World Cup na se de Women Vogo Morocco fa kire pass enche Africa country bi ebetumi adu World Cup final na kwakwaje kra.
Give me inspiration is not what Pele said, but how Croatia performed in Russia. And if you look at the talent on the African continent, there's, in my mind, there's approximately 10 nations in Africa now that can compete at the highest level in the world and win. 10 nations. And it may be 15. But I have to say, we have to encourage every single one of the 54 nations in Africa. If Croatia can make it with 3.5 million people, and the key issue for us now, you know, sometimes we say all the right things and we intend to do all the right things, but we don't follow through with focused, determined, hard work and a focus on results. So I'm confident that at the next World Cup. Our aim is to, with Morocco has made all of us proud, and all of the other 4 made us proud, is to go further. And the main objective is indeed an African nation will indeed win the World Cup. We have to believe.
Right. I don't know the CAF president of the Echo Iga. I watched the Muso Gidi Central African country between Akwanima Patrice Motepe. Shannon Sosa, if I am now, Shannon so OneExpert.com now bet Yediska Agubotum Liga Hodrono Bazabac and Manchester United Bogu Munim say EFL Cup Omobo Ekopiemo Wala Liga Omonso Copa de Rey Kosu. It's just a Yasam Ketwati Diska OneExpert.com. Yes, a World Cup near we it won't be Diska Muboto, between Diska at the Agubotum. And at Tanchaya Sedimo Gel and roll on Sedimo Gel can want to pay now. That is some right here, bro. Pen Biabaqua, Sedimo Gel and roll on. Nothing so no. Wow, Jifas Mesha, come up. Jifas dear Tiomswania, sorry. Jifas, Papa. I'll pay my more happy birthday in advance, Mr. Joseph Gorgeousbeck, sir. Happy birthday in advance, 27th, yeah, 60th birthday. And celebration and yasam ketwakwana or retirement so into 27th Yebeshia. Maybe show happy birthday in advance by Mr. Joseph Gorgeousbeck. Sir, I was gonna me fancy image where and a share my tadia. Yes, oko social media babia a image where mama kama ne adia. Sajo Manocho bana paribo twemi producers kaisa wode nanka sabaka kejwana ho. Erica Siedu body ne. Koso ahebegem.
Waduma 7 no middle road no like from Kumasi ba no St. John's okay ho. Oh, we drive you. Car na me yana me ni se be ye Nizan ni bio seseye. Ye dwiri passenger na ho side no. Se awurade o mo te front no. This nyame. Me se hwe o ma drive ya Adom bi keke. Ti se wo na wo kodru ba bia wo kodru na somdue mu. Fa se da ma awurade. Because baby a wadri de so madu Jenny no ma wi anesa ti die pa na ho no me hunu the way aka na ye say na me say enti because ye nyina ye kwese ye no nye enye ayi we ko na we say enti ye dey yes mo adrobafo obi enya abotre munya abotre kakra na afi de awurade de ye nkwa che mo spare ye nkwa na ma ye kakra de omo amutie ni mo ho no sa side ho no mo de this nyame ebem this nyame pe na nyame so de oba bibie mu yeyie ti sa na me wohye se enye sa na ye nyina ye nto ye bokọ ye bedru achechede kura ye de ya babi okokura wodu achechede bokọ nso wodu timu me nto ye o ka na na ye mono se de engine papa brake ka bibia ka ye dofo de ya tobo kakra ye nto ye ate na nkwanhie wo ya ewo bi ya na mom so be brawo video mu ansa na wawuo no ano odin awrade nyi nyina ye mfiri sa nkwanhie no mu onhwe obi aso mfa ne nko samfa ne mra adrobafo nhyehyie no mu amuso no asofo mu nyai utwa kakra jai oni kumada be 5 minutes bi ebe 7 niema bebre mumiento yebo na enya baifo bia na enya bonsam bia yenya abocha kakra bi usan ho kwahin enipa bebre over 30 million plus bas ba ko beti afa ni nyina Nizan ayi kai ye de say Alvani ebetimi afa ye nyina entimi fie nyina yento yebo wotena hyen mu a ya dwene enipa ho dwene enwene wo nko awo se wonim driving pa nti na ese wokọ yento yebo ne mo ya bi abusuani papa bi de hye papa bi kwaba no ma na nnu ba bia wokọ wa shorten life amano just like that and ye nyehwe obi na mu bu abu free so won kwantini afa ne saa na so wase ne life na nan ni mienu wo ho ne nsan mienu ne ani ni tire ni nyina wo kora na da asai na ba ko atochema mumiento ye bo wate mumiento ye bo adrobafo enti u pie frifie ya wo hwe umma na wo yire na abusua wo fa asefo ya unua ma wo hwe wo mu dwen wo mu ho ansa na watenem so wo tena hyen mu a I think say wo se ye dwen ye nhwe abusua na ye frifie no ye nwire wo mu ho ansa na ya tena hyen so wo do ho a ye se do nyonko so ho so wo do ho a wo ma unua bi mpra mi anya careful ate afi de muma ntwa me hu de menka ntwa haya St John's mfinfin ho ya kokohwe e bia ba na de yakoyi afiri ho and car no ba ko penani so de aka mini be bi ekọ they said I don't know monto mobo ni wadura wie free baby o free base o de kuma se kura na nkokọ kura tutomu abedu a St John's se obesi wo ma 7 okay baby onam no de ontimi si ma 7 anko mefa form e bi kura ba besi wa achimota overhead monto mobo ate adroba for monto mobo ye ka mo hwe mo yirenom ne munua ma mo mfra wo mo nkasa nkyere wo mo okunu ye driver ni no opie ana private obia otena isi animu a ye ne nkasa na mo ya ba ha dwene dodo baifo ne bonsa wo mabre ya mo miense yesuban oh enti wo de ya afia no ahia ye na awrade ase de odi abedru ye sponsors nso ye yi mu free mu a enye yie St Andrew Senior High School ye de mo asepa ne mo support afi mu ni nyina mo ni yenya enye easy sa nyame nhira mo koso nhira mo ne mo adwuma mo ye mo tete nkora no no mo nyini e na ye pani panti wo pe school do ba komu a ye nko St Andrew Senior High School eno ne school papa ye wo day ne wo boarding so nti bia wo bia utime de akora no ko Kelke toothpaste nso ye twetwe ase no pa ne anwumra mu aye mpa enne simu hawo ena yenya ye use hard brush no hard no enye hard no there be enu ntwehwe o se wo gam no rather nti ye use soft no ana medium aha ne emfa ntwetwe yese no medium eno no ukoto brush e wo ho emo ne h hard na medium to enu bi nkra ne na ye soft why ntisa wo I say wo chusi ye so wo nya yare ne kaka wo ze de bia na osia se na ye ko nkra ne de emo soft no bra wo de Kelke toothpaste e twetwe ne sen Kidi Ministry of moja dro nkra na enum akra ne so ni di amane Kidi Ministry of ni binom ena Piwak Natural Health womo edro 3p garlic mixture no so mane enunum bi obi anom ne mbusi immune system no ye do mo se womo ne nyumaku aboye chidom se afisam nkomoyi ye mfamremo na enen so last week ye di nkomo bi fa male infertility humema womo aye mre e wo mpamu nyame adom sister utimi e de akora ba ko ba wiase ti wo de da otrimu sa owo ye wo secondary infertility wo ti mema na amode hye ma no nko ana last week dog ene di sa nkomo ye toaso afi nko na wie ye de wo so hit o target obi aba wo nyame aye obi asa na enima ketua bi na etoche mama asa de ne ba nti so ohunu ne ntam ne esia no a wawo bremu ana awo no nyame nti eso obi awo owunyem nso eso owo fa ho e fa oba nti Dr. Isaac Frimpong our Star Clinic ewo ahase yaja oba beboa ye na yatoa ye nkomo no so dog ye mo official pa
afa komate Stefia
afa se na nkwane ahoden wo ho
ane
ai adwuma na asa de wakọ ba bi ohun tie na ye nya wo studio ya na nke pe studio de no so adwuma no so yeda ase pa na wada age na omre enti wodi ye se de da ye no ye mo no to fan male infertility no de ye ka kosi ye last week na fe ye nhase ene de ye nto aso
all right ma mechia ahwefo nyina am say abritia wa mu ni ye di nkomo kakra concerning awo honsem yedikan fa madie na yabesi mama de no so topic ne so ne mum breniti ana yebabo so tentem se de be ya yebetimi ato aso aye education akwani mu kakasa in terms last week na ye discuss low sperm count any conditions binomo aya na times boa ema mema entimi enye fertile because na emema binomo nim se wawo dane de na bribia waso otimi sign wo na so no yema obehu sentisa because betimi awo ene but ebe kakra no awo no betimi abe de ama wo be ma because sperm no betimi asa bribia enti ye hwe nema bebre a ekan no na etimi boa ma emema awo ho ebe ye de enti based on komodie no ye behu se me boade bi so ana obepenchiri mu yie enti enne no me pese ye be discuss eno mu kakra na ya hwe enne no me pese ye be hwe kwan a say obi awo emma bebree na opeso onya bema efra na wo a kwan ya obetimi afa so na obenya bema afra na wo no anase obi wawo emma bebree ebia na okoba ba ko bi a odi be fra na wo no na ye fe ama no kwan bi obetimi afa so na obetimi abenya oba edi afra wawo mu na wawo no atimi abeye fese de wo pe entine ye behwe sa kwan no so na yetimi abehu empo kwan a obetimi afa so na scientifically watimi abenya entafo bi atimi awo anase obetimi abenya ahenasa bi edi awo ni nyina scientifically kwan da ho se ohwehwe bi a obetimi anya nemom ya na education awo nti so timi beti ase timi behu sade obeye no dia Star Health Clinic adaroma yebetimi aboa na won so no watimi anya ntafo ni bi na se ye ofede a nso betimi anya bi na nso watimi awo ntafo no ebi nti ho na ne yebeto nkomodie no ede afa kakra
yo ere dog wadaroma yanto so na ye pentafo ye pe baako ne ye pe mema o sa last na wo kire na say dey blame no dey say mema na ye de hye wo mu so no yire to wo na manko a ye wo be ma no fa me so ba no na wa wo mema nso nko a ye wo a nti ye nto so ne ye hye ase ho
because ye hye bema ana kwaya bema be fa so e be fa so nyinsen bema awo no a bema na so ejina papa no na okunu no ana kwan be fa so enya oba no so ejina okunu kro na aso and you enese bema se odi ne ho kani hia no mudi hiemu a sperm no odi be ma ne yere no ade se sperm no ewo enkwala no memma ne memma nyina wo sperm ni mu I mean X and Y chromosomes no aye spermatozoa na eye ba emema ewum emma ewum the last time mount assess se be ma ne obadi hyemu ba ko na se be ma no ni hu sane no wi a sperm na eba no nkola over 30 to 40 to 50 million and a womb 30 to 40 or 50 million na ekoye bi de kra bro sa wo sa nkola bebe no ye hia ba ko pa okofa ovary no na nyinsen yetimi akoso na yehu se wanyinsen and sa nkwala 30 million na de wo ho nyina no emema wo ni nyina free be ma no sperm na kasamo and emema no omo ho yade and omo ho ha nso so enti se ade se oba no watokosua dada because within the whole month no oba wo ho kwan se or just 1 week bia obetimi dia nyinsen that is the ovulation time no say obuni nsa wia na sa odi onnimu a da wobu nsa na day 1 e free da wobu nsa na kwa kopem da to so 12 mu ho ko bia no e ade say oba obetimi abu nsa atokosua ama na be that is ovulation no it is ovulate wia that time na wa ovulate pepe no sa onu hu kanitimi hia sex on now we X chromosomes no and Y chromosomes no and mema na ye Y no man ye X and mema no ye and no ho ye ha it is here you no ba na chia na say what the sperm na man na say mema na ewo mu no ne mba ni nyina ko na say kosua no wa ovulate data na e da ho dia and mema no be du kosua no fertilize kosua no wa bra na mba automatically the possibility say obenya bema awo no very high. Or have bema awo dia. Onu hu kani overtrain. Na onu hu kani aye sex only time wa ovulate. Ovulating kwa dia. Na onu hu kani sex that time not there. You can really expect to get a baby boy. But so ba awo overtrain na aka some days to day I'll be ovulating. I mean 2 days or 3 days today I'll be ovulating. then now who can have sex that time. After so then I sex that time, maybe more sex view. Mube jai sex ya until say ovulation ni be twem. Must ya sex.
And this a senior man besa ba be rema overtake it.
That's right. So sex 2 days before ovulation now. And then so now on to Kosiano. Now a man a woman na a Y chromosomes now. I know. And now a man a diabetes me at now as for bare 4 or 5 days. 2 days or 3 days time now, but to Kosia. Man bit me up until that 3 days. I'm don't very area class slow but sure. The answer say on to Kosia the next 2 or 3 days now. What me a draw normal fertilizer Kosiano. Then the possibility say with me or bar our very high. And this or watch check now with me with this natural family, and it really works. It really fairly technique ni na media
free.
Don't follow this obenya na said your na pepe. And you know your only when or bar on the menstruation no is sweet. For baby or ovulate it will be very difficult say obetimi mpo afanyisa no easily. Nti so menstruation this is so common. Ovulate kama then obetimi use formula way and it will really work for sa oba chrono. That is oba award, that is bema award.
Yane Dr. Isaac from Pond Star Clinic na AD enkomoi male infertility ho enkomonti na no wama mema ni nyina apo. It say utie ye wo hye na bia wo ema ana ai wo manko ana wo pe emema wa emema kwa dem say oh no fast no wateki wachire ya po no pe oba nso so wachire ye enti dog ne yento so na yensa enhwe ohawo awodo a ya na esa beka ho bie mama bema sade no ho odin sitie bia mu nyina chire no ni show na anasa ne nkwamwa no be wo fom anasa ahodin ni mu.
Okay, yasen fa ho no mu biom dia and then your prostate mu yari ahodo bebre and answer na bema obetimi ene ne hokani anyisa na ombedi nhyiamu na ne sperm no betimi akọ na no prostate no so play role and yakoba say bema no but the prostate no problem then and also very difficult say obetimi anya good sperm no watimi dia fertilize na yere ama watimi dia ma na yere fertilize na yere ovary na nyinsen atimi akoso eno achi bema or diabetes I'm say last week your boss bema or hypertension that is BP yawe bi no there's a 120 year mostly it may affect bema no the sperm production. Nti bema bia wo diabetes na wada diabetes ebro so ache even male function na as male sexual function no kwa wonde no kofo nti akoba ne sa ya na mostly almost sperm so etimi be affected in a way. It is when you have diabetes now what then do so if you be na still kwa there's a way out. Your kind of facility side conditions no money free wa ensign enkoba ebium ti ho be hia say eya na wo complain bia concern wa wo ho na mema yo ho as bema obetimi aba Star Health Clinic na yebetimi aboa na obetimi ado ho de fisaya rekoro emukra eno achi mamemfa we twato azana ye dia bewie ebi mo ho aya na almost say omo pese omunya ntafo no mo we ho so pese omunya ntafo na within every 30 days now I say within a month biano oba ovulate once I say onkosua ebi wo right side and ebi wo left side nti oba wo ovaries on the right side bebre ho obi so on the left side of the ovaries na bebre ho no but our dear near back or nation film. Until this month, about ovulate free the right ovary anymore. Next month, no ovulate free the left ovary, no so aim. Until a cobasa within the bar. Next month, no, we saw in the bar. But you're a no or while with me a fire. Instead, say, and can be ovulate back on. Wait me ovulate or how ovulate or Hanan could see me, you know about the at the same time.
Okay.
The Abanasa. One be money dish more and quala 30 million never banner. Me over far away, but over far away. Automatically, wait me a binya and for scientifically.
Sir. The other now, I said, on Babano months and on.
Good Santa for essence, a sperm different. Although Bema back on the sperm in our mouth. Nemo, sperm not the mouth. Different one that coffee could see with different ones in the coffee. Now there's a woman better, yes.
But said up, Obi on Mount Fed will be on so naturally, it's me, yes,
naturally, dear no. Said yes, you come and say, over because you have a copenhagen to buy. And a bear man, now, the man will be ready in an bar copen in the Urakusi. And then one can divide in whom you and Onyanta.
Okay. Chomuna ya no mutase no.
Good. And no dey say e spam back. Don't forget.
And akosia back.
Kutia. Oh. Until yes. And no one can say divide in whom you. Until automatic. And the on BBA there was sir. Look. And they divided into two. But the sperm no way different. Now we find Obia than the baby. And I ye banta full one can also cry now. Dear a sperm back, then one can say dividing whom you know. You are only a monochorionic, monoamniotic. You can't a patch say, Dina Yanam Palani demono. And I am no demono. Obi, among me and United me that back. A bisu or what? Dino modebno. When you had that, die back from dear, but wait, I need you separate. You answer that separate.
Uncle Pong, a fruit a prayer, who near my to change a moon crown.
But we also done it there with different separate.
You.
And I, you what dear, wait that in there, where's that in there?
Matthias, your line I am a breaky kakra, you know.
Yeah, your diamniotic and dichorionic. Go why in swear go on Nina and Omunina so that baby back. In so all way different. Who remove was we are chim, yachim with that baby. In so high different, and so man.
Inti no sa no so mbeba no mo nsa wo ho.
Eno sa no mbeba no mostly the ye monochorionic monoamniotic no. I say omo nyina dadan ba ko nsuo ba ko penesan ko omo nyina omo ho me nsuo ba ko di nsuo ba ko na ma omo wo de automatically emma nko a emma nko a omo nyina pepepe.
Okay.
Pepe. But omo aya na omo ye bi o ho a omoye dichorionic monochorionic diamniotic no omo no we ba no bi o ho na o ye ba na bema so me so ho be ba no na omo ye ma mienu de na so so no ba ko ye fep se na ye fep
o ase ba ko ye tuntum ba ko ye kokko
ba ko ye kokko as omo ye ntafo de na so so me se na
oh, dog, one number, why you need breaky?
Sana yada and no so at here.
Yo, ain't you know where the running to Facha Yampa now about Womudia, nice a star clinic for Muda Mufua. It's my own room, which are quite number no, because when we say studio Hakra and Kofobo Mutrinko, sir, just that or mobile me who dear, and so we are sure some of our poor. Aha. Your
chair, your branches, no, a be a war, Caswa, akwele otasi hwa ebi nso so e wo sunyane branch no Fiapre bibiana GN Bank e wo no a ebi nso German South Japeku fitamu dada ne wo mu ne die ne hwepe saa nso ne wo branch e wo Doma Ahinko Doma ayo SS area ho no mo a ye ben gift FM na kumase for so ntwen na enche bia na ebedu ho ko afreya
na program ne da be kra onse mo ye program bi ho
that was last week.
Oh, okay. Yo. Okay.
But yeah, Bahwa Ankasa because Oma Hayache. Oma Hayat. Pese ebi mutimi travel through hon mo baka so ano yedi.
Ano kre.
Ani ye ben o mani aboa wo mo so. Nti wo mo so wo mo ntwen pa na ye ba enchekra ye ba to mo sisi. Fa number we ebi ana be pese obefre na na ye di nkomo bi afo apomden ho. Number no 0249 200 555. Mr. Number no should be 0249 200 555. And no number friend. Now be a Star Health Clinic. Abribia. Now the chair why before pop de hono ya boa ayiwa no. She no say ye expert. E wa wo de ya we bam. Bit ovarian cyst, polycystic ovary, need ya keken ka ho nyina.
Okay, yada say papa Dr. Isaac from Paul Star Clinic for about woman dia omo ebeboa na yede no edi enkomo no nti yada dog say papa anamu ye promotion bi a o de be twa to adaroma
I go so paso the last week edi hon komo na
okay
I branch abeba e twa scan bi na free still.
Okay.
Yeah, treatment and also you 30% said in first last week
okay.
To be a baby package and so I watch and on so your crime be a fast one boy more. Almost be anti wow here war ratch and ember. Be register na can now so see them boy now soon to me a warning be. In fact, all this.
Yeah, say papa Dr. Isaac from Paul na ye ne di community say a war more and some dear which are quite and Adom TV Badwam na guso no na mega night be bebaso 26 December nti eno so ho asem no mame emfama sharp and na Adom FM ne 360 group and the mega high life dance night eba Adom 106.3 and a 360 group at the mega high life and dance night eba 26 enumre shasia den ani anyom to phone de wo modo so pa ye be ye wo be view village wa woni Madina hoye atomic junction hoye atomic junction hono ma be view ubi se obi abeche hokra no wayi no ho adi dada enti brana ajom to phone do so Samuel Owusu ba Hineba Kisi Pa Thomas Baisa Simons Adani Best ene na agyeman ene bebre ene wo mo eba de wo hia 100 cedis VIP 150 VVIP regular so 50 Ghana cedis ebi ene bibia digital nti wo pese wo to wo ticket ahead of 26 no so a short code no ye *713 *003 *003 *713 *003 Nessa odi ato o ticket no. Yami yaduma 26 ye Bayview Village. Ho na ye Adom FM the 360 group mega high life dance and night no and also ebaso. Ebreko animu no anso ye beka amobi anso ate. Baby ye drain so give a for chrome give us about center for womunro ahodo ba miensa. Nenso ne eye no eso ani enso ka che na Romeo so adwuma na fimu nyina so waye ni nyina asi ti dog abaso bodi bi wo ha adaroma na kukura ma no bofu enso do wasesem asi fom Alhaji Banda
naam
emo afishia pa
alhamdulillah
se ya ka we ya keke do de awie na bibi aboko de wafade no so ginam
medase
ya beto no so akire na de enko straight give us
nyamishira na yema ahwefo nyina afishia pa no payi na yenda obi ase mesro se we dey under just 30 seconds mamenda de wasisi mase ye fe no sonolisia trend Sonolisia trend ewo Bolagatanga Bokuru no so hono butu nyame hirawo se ene wa ma se real African yankopon hiramu pa na anopai me baya masem nyina ne se yedi nsempa ebre ahwefo yedi nsempa ebre omanmu nipa ewo omanmu se wo ye Ghana ni se wo nya Ghana ni tie ne se o te Ghana hanko ane de asem dey koma and afi so mo so mo aburu kira mo hwe on social media no so YouTube ni Facebook nyina no e mo bi official pardon sem de ebremo give us about center de din a obi we say aye household name a e wo fie bia mu esan se Ghana ha se ye ka apomode ho sem a ontumi nyi give us about center free mu esan se ye ba ya cheyie na ye ndo so abo manfo ama nyame adom so yeguso aye researcher eguso aye de endo ni biba na foforo kra ye de abadwa so no eye give us GC mixture and afi give us GC capsules e wasa okan mi no bom na ho na de tie ne say Ghana ha eya na yetaye mistake bia me pese me twini pa adwini si super emprempi no se be ma hia wo ba foforo a o hia wo ba foforo na within 1 week no abribi obekọ ba no ho bia no obo no ho ban se bi o hye de efe no condom no na o de abo no ho ban ubusa na o se o se afe na ma hia nti no me hye da ni mu yi nti no ma me mo me ho ban na agya ewiase ho nti obebo no ho ban na 1 week after 1 week no o se de ma ji wadi nti no metima yi rubber na to ne abo no ro na abo no ro na bibia so nkire se oni oba nante for 1 week na office o wo hu na wi nti no o yi rubber na to abo no ro no yare wo no ho aye ntwrongu na ni mu hu da nti Ghana ha ye we emrante ne mabai wa bebre e wo sexually transmitted diseases na de ya wo mu se e ma bebre wo yare ni bi a omunim so mo e wo yare ni bi because scientifically ne so oba enya sexually transmitted diseases a na symptoms ne che ansa na da dia ma oba na hu se wanya yare ni bi ban mema ne de after 2 days 3 days no na symptoms na sha se da di ntimprempi no mema ne de na ehu ya de ne ntem but ma ne ta hye omo che eninti na so oba enya sa yare ni bi na wahu ni ntem a tamo na nimra na ho so no na eba bedi ne dem na de tie ne se wanya yare ni bi a che na wunim ana afa no wanya yare ni bi a symptoms na da dia mo hu no me wo good news e de mo bia now de be mo hu se wanya namu sa yare ni bi ne se wo hwa na ensansa bi abegu obema no ho wo ye oba nso a na abegu wa himfi ho na de ya wo ni se ensansa abegu wa himfi ho ene obema no ho ti no wonam nipam kura na wudwi wonam nipam kura mpo na I say fa onsa hye ho na ti emema no kwa de ana de eboa ne se yetimi de ensa hye botom anya na esi ehwehwe bibu obotom na yebi but ema de say na mobeye mo de nafa na so enei de tie ne say sa ni ngwase na wonam nipam a na do nsa hye wase na wudwi because hene a na betiti enei no memfa onsa nko ho biem ko pesa ndomi no bi nanom give us GC mixture and afa give us GC capsules obeka bom say na wanom enamu sa yade bi etitiu bia no ebefi so etoda na se wo ho a na obema mu ye oya bema nso so timi twiste emprempi no mo ana omo ko oba ho a mema ni bo ana omo pre ohu oba a obe pre no ho sa gidigidi opentem enti se bi nyame anya wadom na se obema na manimu so gina so na bi a o pre akọ oba no ho na oba no puni to kakra na otwe no kakra na nyame anya wadom na ade no ko simpa na so a obetime pra enti enei mema bebre bema no atwiste obi won so ekuro ewo ne bema mu de ekuro ba bema mu ne ye namu sa ya de eba sa na ye mfa nsuo hye ne mia sa ekuro no obehia give us GC capsules and afa give us GC mixture no obeka bom sei na wanom oyo ba na enei I say ensuo bi egu oye bema onso so obedwon so a na esufita bi de akire ni nyina kire wo se wanya yade onya give us GC mixture any give us GC capsules na kabom sei na no mo a ebedi wasema bo akama pa wo hwa na say ensuo bi egu ebeduru anwumre na abekọ akodu fie no obewro ho no na I say o boxer no mu no emu afọ na say ensuo bi ayeyeyem troka bi sebi ade anchi afa cheme because ade no so no kirem no ankirem ya nipa onte ase nti se wo wro ho anwumre ana bi a daytime kra na say o boxer no mu afọ ensuo bi akika mu a enamu sa yade no eya na edu ba bi a ni sunsuan so ni bi no kope give us GC mixture na pe give us GC capsules kabom say nanom ota Johnson tentem when ya de fe no prostate enlargement eba sa Johnson dey wa agi se wo Johnson because obi an prostate ho aka bia no say Johnson no drop bi kura sogum pe e wo say o empty one empty a o ho ntow enti se ne wanya problem e wo bladder mu a tem bia o Johnson tentem o kase ya na ho Johnson udidi kura agi se so ko Johnson de wuye bia de se o Johnson o ye driver o ko kakra ba mo cho me Johnson aba saa ansa na modu ba bia moko ni nyina kire se wanya ha e wo bladder se wanya ntem anko pesa ndomi ni we bi anom ama na nsi oha na no kwan a odi ne saa de ne se be wi akiri no age se ye de rubber ehye wo be mam na wote asase we so ayemfa rubber ehye wo be mam no wankasa wonim se de etie na ye san de rubber be ehye wo be mam obehia Givers GC capsules and afi Givers GC mixture oba bia ubunsa ensisi so ubunsa ensabo no ensisi so ye ma oba bi bu ne sa 2 weeks obi so bu ne sa 3 months ni nyina no enye normal de bia meka kope Givers GC mixture and afi Givers GC capsules ebiam oba bi o na so bu ne sa emoja na etinu no eba bebre utum say heavy bleeding pa sister enye normal oba bi nso o na so bu ne sa emoja na eba drop say eso koko eno so enye normal ebiam o bu nsa na emoja no moja na etu no ani ay cloudy asa ani ay tu mesrew ontiapo kopa adunanom yade ni bi wo ha ehihye ho ye husi ye yare nanso symptoms be breda di kire se ye yare now the man ye nika na ede ne say FDA fo asan ye ndo ni nyina se na de o mo kan se men twen kra ma yare no man sa na wakopa adu ne kira kwan endo mienu wei sa wo yare o sa wo nyare o sa wo symptoms o sa wo symptoms o sa wo ye oba o sa wo ye bema o e ma ne mpa ho da abri bia ma ne ho na no udidi wi a no bi bobo no bra na ento ne bo ase ne nsamfro na nyi oha bia mfiri so sa wo do ho tundo we so a me ka hye nyankopon de ne monyam se yade amabobo so oha amabobo so na mu nsa yade ne sa no ma ne nyina no ebe siesieu abo ho ban obema na nsansa bia begu ho na wo dwonso ansufita bi de akire etodan so a wadwonso wie na wo ba bekọ no na se dwonso san de ne nyina na to betwa de de be wie nie baransa na no ye number no negu screen ase no obetumi apeke number na wafrɛ yen bibia wonte ase bia pese obusa bia no frɛ na obusa yen a ye beyi wa no na ya boa wo amoanya nkyiremu bia ohia bia de de sorry nie ye fa ni Givers eba mesha se ya tebo no so de aba 16 cedis ana 18 cedis
eno nkwa no mate so ana
we ne de a new product nti we de na bo bia ni market afi na aba nti we o kan bia nya yi we na amanfo ehunu ni se bia ha first na 25 cedis but se sia no aba 18 cedis eti okoto a entoman munosa eno ye for malaria typhoid jaundice fever malaria yare ayembu no ha nanso yade no ekumi yen esen yade bia oba Africa ha yade ayekuni papa ye malaria tidi yade nanso yemu yade no na droni afa wuntumi didi a kope bi nanom ni nyina no ebeboa kama pa se wo yare o se wo yare o ndo ni nyina no fa ho to so na meka wo se Ghana ba bia ye to ado bia so so no obenya ye do bi je number no ne yenko 0543 222 but your 2 near me answer and a 470 0543 222 470 nafi yankasa yamishira onso
Nana Romeo Kasama Givers Cyber Center room no anyway hey ye do ma se papa ma menye sankrato yimra de wo no so hia sauti ye kwaba TV Badwam aseda no nkoma mu nyina ye do mo ase bebre wo kọ anyame fa nkomra sumdwe mu ai nemo wi asa join ye wo Facebook/Adom TV media fia amankwa tamaklo Grace Gift Heba Clinic for Abedu den dua imuntino ede de wo man fa hwe ama jako jo bai one kwame ahia o ba banisa but some dey anytime bi o mo ba hu se o mo kura nduro no timpanifo mo official pa afisa se na nkwane ahoden wo ho sa na dog ho ye ye de nyame ase papa ye gene so nyame mamu nimde ni nyansa ne sa no mfansa ye nyare enti de what a Grace Gift Heba Clinic for nka what wo nka bebre ye to ye nkomo no eso ene enuro ahodo a wodi tu nyare wase enti de menko kwame ho na memreja kojo ho
mentia no na meja mama mo fa se de wo kan ene bibi nkura ye nsem wo be hu no petika sa na nso so ye be chade
Oh, okay.
Bro nyen doctor say on pese Adom ahwefo e de yade ebedie.
Sir.
Ebeso bia so de yade be wura fefofora. Onyame ye Adom a ye wura mu. Na si e kan yade a ade ba kun bi wo odasani ho a eno na ene yade nyina maame. Ade enchen ahwefo fa nchen me sebe empreduasa. Se onipa sode na se nipa ayam timta wono so obroni frɛ no kwanso pehi
constipation
sa ayam tim no ene yade nyina ni yade nyina ne na ene ayam tim etwetwe yade bebre na bo odasani so en edin kan kura yetipaye so ehunu na sa di yede ma egina nchen ne yede mema egina nchen a ema pa na wo mo so ba bi timi trase nansa no nkochi ana nada me ken obi se wa boma asem so obi kura keka ko na wotwe obi da
na wotwe onko toilet dia no odi
se asupiti ho no na wotwe bia ye adwuma wie a complain a enya no dodo na Dr. Glace ami anu aduzi e meche sa so no de o se ye de ma na kwa nto no so de be chekwa enti me de dokota nko anoma ani dokehi etudwa me ofa asi be kasa kakra na yeso de a me kire sebe ayim timoduru bibi kuma bi wo mu kaase ho efiru na okoi ukotena so a yo woni program enti enkran ha sei ye wonu atwe water petroleum ya ye ne family life international school ehwe ni mo ana se ni boy town uduru se kurobo nso a ye wo ohwim suku nkwanta so eye barikase kwantemfo no so ofuro asuefi atorotoro a usu besi ohwim suku Johnson wode wusi a busu bia so pegles gefete ehwa ye mfaka abiem eho fe na emom enhwa kom autempo ya na nkofu fi sese de esi ye ho no ebia ne board ne ente saa ahonidie eno so ya yadesa enti ye nko baabi enkobre wo nso apapen nam obi wo ha wo so kosa ho yade afei ubefiri ho beba no asa akofa yade fofo enti ni se yesiesie ye hosa na Dr. Glace ni noma udi benyu ono ankasa no eye cello 54 tele 2 cello tele cello 54 tele 2 cello tele ana cello 244 126 12 tele cello 244 126 12 tele
tiene opani ko jo de awie ntimi nkokwa me ho na akwa me so emmo ye nka grace gift ho nsam ne bi nkyereye
beni aba me da se yema ya hwefo nyina afihapa nkomo a ye de ba ya wo fa kan ho asem ye constipation no ye hu no say a medical condition but ya de hard drink and say obo ade nyansan mu no o ma ye nipadua na kwa no inlet baby ye de niema ekoye mu na outlet baby a niema friba na usually no outlet ni nyina ye niema nipadua ni nhia na sa ba bonchin nchi bi efa yemba ne yemba mu ba te se dwonso ebi nso efa sebe ye to kwan ba te se janan na wosi ehunu se sa ne me nyina ka nipadua no mu a ededem di ne ba de ye frɛ no sebio ye janan no ye niema nipadua no ye didi ko emu a de use de behia de nhia no na eba na no niema mienu na ye the main component which is mucus and bacteria ejisa niema ni nhia fo nipadua wo se pieba na obi o ha de ye de kase wanya yem tim na ya de ha adwe no wo se nipa bia no anye bia na wotwe wo chia nananom empre beye num na chese wo bubu adako bia no ka ba ko ye barubu ana nsa kora na onko obi obi o ha na wotwe num nyina no akọ beye mprensa ana lower than that eba ne sa na ye ayarehwemu no ye kase why constipated na sa ne ma we de ma ne ye hu ne se etena so cha edi so anso boni bebrebrɛw typical example ye wono mo asabi wa fruit mi hye gluten enti mframa ba begina won ye funu obi wo ho asabi wo timi yi mframa de na so ntimi nyane nan afin so obu o ho a se de ofa kan agya ne tipaye ebinim so o ho a etimi de awo etisi ne so prekope to be mbroni free bi profuse sweating fifiri be chene saa ne ade ni nyina ebo nka ye se wo se ni pedo bi wo se ko na enema mienu bi na ya na ha adwen e wo saa constipation ye ho de di kan hwehwemu bi da na di se wo no mo etanya constipation dodo no tanya anal hemorrhoids eye koko sebe de fifiri ye to e wo agyanan bi esan saa afo no ko agyanan bi a wo chere yi pa obechimu anemma enche no so de imagine se sebe okoko ikura ba na se wo yem kura hwie wonya diarrhea bra wo bre ko ebedru ba bi na bia tissue wudi mfa pe so de bobo otuni na yes na enkoba na sebe okoko asan fi otu na wuntimi nsan nya anan okwa abebre yiye enchi no ye ko bonsem na ba de san to so bio ye de ne ye frɛ no kokobo twi kasem ye kano portocasem rectal prolapse eno no ye wo large intestine obonze bedu wo bechima na o rectum no apie na aba saadu ye ha adwen ta ye mampani for pa enchi eno ho anu ye na wo fade bebe ne ye ka kire tiefo se enya de wo se ye de hoahoa ye ho empempie no when we eat ye didi aduane ye low in fiber e ko so sad nchi amanfo ka se pano ema yem no kre e very low in fiber and afi white green e mo ya process mrofo mo ne ade wo tai de no so ti ma constipation enchi anu ye wi ansa no fade ne de na ba no ye ni aduane ye high in fiber ye bibri mu ha ye ntai ni aduaba ye bedi anaje se bi e yare senka minim no nke bi anka every day bia no uwie u meal just a fruit anka na apple e very good kebeboa e masa yem timi e ma so wo fade anu ye na aka no e betudwa
de wo hia ne gadeke ayi ntima duro na me kire yo so wo fa gadeke mu ano a chemu mi no na efa no hane ne nyina mesere o menya fanse hane emfa se kan hane uwi a fegu apoto wiem na fa tabobo so keke mepese mu bubuo enyam mepese gadeke no mu bubuo
mu ye mrekaka
obi nya ode sika na betwitwanka mempene saa fegu a wiem na fa tabubum uwi a fa ne nyina gu adiem na fa nsuo kopo okro a na sachete ekro no oboto ema no bro de so kakra na odi agu ho be ye sa ade anyimira okoda odi gubo nsuo mu a kata so ade tia no petututu a oso de akopra no kohwie nsuo no gu kopo fufurom ne chima nka etwade egum ma ne ntirem
wonum na nadwo no ade tia
ubebu aso amade ache
na ade ache so yo
nsuo no betwetwe nyane muro bi afiri gadeke no ntu so de anopa beko ne nsuo na adwo kama chimunka etwade kura na amienu e chimsuo no gum kafra na nom uwi akopra na wo pra no a obete so ofrefre wo kotena so a yo ayem timaduro na no
elu ari ma free ye bronyen
ye adwuma de bia ayentum ana ye hwe yade bia agese kwata achacha ani fredi mfie dunum ana silence emum afi jimi
Grace gift. Eti number no na wo screen as bibi wo bi ma Mr. Ibrahim.
De ka twa to no za man for hwe apom de pa kira kwan. Eno ani Grace gift. Esanse ye kan asem bi se tabono so onim so ase a on to dawa. Enti wo no ma wadwen so onim abiduro no omo nnuru ye nya omo tepen ne ye. Ti amanfo ntu ana mo mbra. Na ye behwe won ama wo ho ato. Owura ye ho a in fact ye mbehwe ze ba hotel no. Apom de pa so ye.
Wo hefa
location
location ni biem ye new atwemota petroleum
new atwemota petroleum
ye ben new atwemota propose no pa ani ene family love ntana hene suku ni hwe animu na se kurum so ye badka se kwantempo no so ohwim suku nkwanta ohwim suku nkwanta obia amra ye adwuma no nson anopa ekosi anwumere no onum ye ntum ye ni horodi
eti number no ene wo screen no asia the free ana 0543320030 0543320030 ana 0246518003 0246518003 Grace gift Herbal Clinic ene no di enkomo ya seda ya odia pa so oje brehwe nti ya kire ayam timadru odia ma free nti sa akọ na koje wa yare hwe enso ye ne sponsors ase St Andrew Senior High School Kelke toothpaste kidney ministry Piwak Natural Health edro 3P garlic mixture ye do mo ase medi de afia amankwa tamaklo ye ko na pensem mo mo hene kwabna sante atwaso
I say ene akoye yawa da December ne de to so aduonu mi ne de twede amponyankopon ase de ene ache Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so edika catch us for the Christmas holidays no this is one opportunity obutimi ahwe Adom TV I also bring a lot of education no have fun with your family Inti mamenka you don't need to miss every action be because so one say number ka say onyame admon the 30th and 31st of December ewo ahafo and the 1st of January 2023 for homecoming festival no there shase inti 30th 31st December 2022 and the 1st of January we'll round it up with praises and worship but 30th and 31st today they only say dwabo kese pa Ghana mampen ana kurura asasiura otu force etutu wona ba abeka nananom ne eye wona nananom ne ono ofasefo ne omamuni afomai ni nyina no yetimi abodwa kase ahia etitu for mini na wonde wona na December betudwa amai migiri se ensem no be nkwanhyensem kan konsem mpuntunsem awrechichesem a edibe 2023 mo and you can't miss this big celebration festival eba so ya afuni onya afuni kwana baby abutu bia no ekwani nyina e de ni akire for homecoming festival nti be part of this great celebration akansie wom agudie wom apomode ho nkyerɛkyerɛ ne eye adwumasua so ni ehu nimdeɛ ene ntitiɛ nso ewom your that business summit no your health screening your miss ahafo your edwakɛse ahemfo so bɛbɔ atenase enso ewom nti it's fun you need to be part of this homecoming celebration. Mamenka also say the organizing committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Gama, Dr. Kinsley Agama, Bechem United CEO and of King's Cottage CEO. Yedana sipa Nana Basu and so Council of State Rep. Nana also Yeda CP ably supported by members of Parliament, honorable DCs in Yedama sipa yipa, and then Nana House of Chiefs. Ti onyina fo nananum nyina the president House of Chief yamfo man hene papa bi ahema papa bi you know 1 and 2 go so actually ahema wo afo nyina papa bi no won nyina so yedo maso kwaso go so dutwum amrosa ahema papa bi edamu nyina ma se afo adihye nyina no yenye obi a mfim ko fa free sankore kukum emem jedu kotisi eye techre adroba ene susu aso ne omahin so ne ntotro so Kenya si 1 and 2 babia e ka se ebobo adaje eboya ne santi edamase this is a big occasion o ya afuni nko ade a yenkofie na yenkosisi fie obo minua nana ya kesen so ho nana ya kesen so bi niti afuni de she baako sports Obama ono so be unity wo honom sans na fia man kwata maklo ono so unity wo honom so go so ni de hye na afi o man ne kwabna santin so unity wo di enipa attitude na nakobo o mu nyina ba se kama am yet me di juma ma bibia ti me ko enti enyu film this is one big celebration they brought this year ending 30th and 31st of December and the 1st of January 2023 enti afo Oma yenko fi na yenko sisi ifi. Ansana mpanyimfo meni ho bedi nkomo no medical catchers Alexander Kwasiakwa ewa hasa so na Bernard enim piece nso etnasia enesa. Ansana ni mpanyimfo bedi nkomo na de ba ko bi beda mekoso kai o se bonya bosumi ayesim no. This is the time so anipa bi mu awo no ohunu de ha ona dwene. We ye bere a omo so afa kwati kwa so nya kwa papampo. Nioma a woni beton wo dwa so nyina no. Dodo na anya papa me expired products and substandard products. Iti mesremo say omo woni da ho after your prayer no you need to be sensitive to what is happening. Indi kwa say ubu ani gu bibia so kekese ma bompa e da bi. One here will be the 6 better no 9. Ti ade bi a wo to bia no say ahye so de na fam no. Say ebrebe na ede essay ana edi twam. So ati ase. Ti very important. Titiu ye de ukodi akọ Inti misremo amadaro ma bibia wo to odwa so bia no kindly check the expiry date. The brofo any who be answer no wadarama se mekaya FDA for sin na ye kasa bi basa bi na untimi ntiase or the obetiase mu no. Just be careful about such products. It's important that the oko tono so ultimi kenkan the actual wo ho no. Ya frame the brofo. Enya Spanish, enya Arabic, enya Mexican, enya Dabi ya frame the brofo kasa. Indeed, make sure say ade na woto no de egu no o kenkan atiase say wo ni padua no saa de wi no wo yesi udi a we bebe say na tie say na ekọ say na eba ento ade a woni hunim de bia. It's very, very important. And no matter the bia so ekọ ni padua no ma woni hu popo bia. You're careful about that because the month of December no enipa ye enyoma bebre. I feel so driver for say besemo ya kwante important so. This is the time almost everybody wants to make good money and good sales. But enye bone but ye de wa ho de betimi wo ye de wa ho de betra eno de you ni any nkwanhia any basabasa ya na eba. Ti driver for na mo pese mo de dakru timi ko Kumasi Accra ba be 7 times. O kwa ba sam prince. We break it down before you break down no nipa nkwa e show nsa no. One we are not what to fana atwene kwa. And we are unable to go to Kumasi magazine and as I was so can say anakokompe say spare parts at all. So drivers, car owners, station authorities, it's important somebody says ampa a break to make good sales. But at that same moment, you know, monune mo monune a passenger for na monune Ghana. It's not time because he hears he can't, you know. Even one say baby a kikiri driver say o home say o daka kakra o say derby because any pegu station you know ojiri say obetimi akwa ba sa befa eno and the page and kwenhiem kese emi etim dey question bronsa. It's never true. The devil is always like closer to us than we think. If we avail in availing e bi na me catch you no wa onim say wa bre the next trip we say o kwa obeda enso so beko etu ko eni oni ni twa so sa no what's that saying say so at you say enkopem da be na bitima ha woni sa ti be hu ana susura o de amanfo ade hye ne Ghana aman panyimfo omoda achi aye nimi o de bebere akoshe unya di dem so de a akoso problem for even generations yet unborn. And they be unfortunately for us as a country no attention na yede ma enuanu ma sabi esin to kakra bo mo e ofom pa o e ofom if you live in such a country you only praise enuanu ma sa e kakra bo mo onyame be koso ahwo mo de no mo nya akonya bi aye enyima bi on their own na fi ni pe bi so abo abo mo. If you fall into that category how you because in ya yen hye mra e be ma ne ma bibire are free for such group of people even though ebinum omodin bono eye nu so cry ye won ma ne broso. But majority, they are willing, they are suffering. If I go push you cry no, they will try and push you away because they feel so for lack of a better word, a liability on them. Till me say, Adama for Madaroma, Mama Miensa, any 9 year name born to tin to chat. And then Casa Yamina de Manyaminaji. God does not act in this way. It's very important. Christmas and so, and Rantiano so name Kitisiano so, Mom say, obi timi didia mani collapse me in the hospital did this na for no say na hometi ohomie so na mrika hwe no na ko e bia na wanye lucky na ko ba for trim na tia fa so na fi ukọ ebi nso hu se nsan wo ho no se 24 bottles ni na nsan o create ni ma on sorry this a more to se nsan emu odin kra no ma na wa no se mako 24 bottles go mu e be no say ni fa bi. So the abuse of every single opening beer, it's just too much. Wako obi fi akosara, ya ose nipa de Oscar otiapem. Ya ose abo kakanu uguso nom. Koso na nom. E wonsusu aso no, obehu say wa moa wa ho. So we should be very moderate in times like this. Mesre. Na mo say hunu say sa bre kro ya nso na akromfo no also adwuma sorry. They are monitoring your movements. Baby aye ko baby aye free by o bank obi monitor ba onim. Enye careful. Nye nkomodie na mekotowe wa na mekotowe wa enye careful. And your man so edi gugu your cars na ja okọ shopping malls no we on the phones and laptops in Google seat in the front seat is na or baba na ebu ani na corner side yenye careful yenye a little bit conscious about our security. Your potem most strangers bizu and now from January we've been talking to you about some of these tips. A boy in the traffic more no rubber from now so do phones that to see so abras and then is a far phone traffic catch it was them mere or lockers so yes there will be a me whenever was no kura or quarter da. Na post ni credit as a traffic car it even the motor shim phone free na so now we muda was as here fanko na me take this opportunity I post for na onyame adom ene mo hihye mu no edi mo gina junction various junctions for presence yes them mu miemia mo phone so too much mu di mo hu nkomo too much the alertness is so limited I post 42 upon blue traffic light na zone be 10 be kono mo gina no mo omo didi omo hu nkomo na omo titimoto zo mo ses no mo show mo phone so sa you know TBB secret na reason for being there no you might not be aware of it. But that's why you are there, not to sit on the motor and to be chit-chatting and having fun and talking on your phone and just WhatsApping and all those things. Who's in a duty point? Now we're YouTube. Are you serious? What duty point? No duty point. So that duty is a responsibility to serve Ghana at any point in time once you join the forces. Until you break, you cry, then Kobe. That's the word. That's how more sacrifice Maya. You appreciate him. Timadaroma, Monko Amuntiminye. Yes, you have one but most won't demonstrate it and Makoji Nimdian entity. Said, this is what you want to do for Mother Ghana. And Mother Ghana also acknowledges and appreciates much more efforts and much more go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Be said this month and so no. Ana faketu abaji kese azan for our system no. Okoto shoe, okoto material. One call the right place to go and buy it. One more also to phone. When it the phone, also say also to phone. You know? Also ukuta phone na okoto. Ukuta phone also beto. Ukuta phone also beto. Afi phone na order na ho to phone na. You know? By the time I was in the house, now one more, don't throw me the shame pepper the phone case, and the shame amount. So you're alert. It's time to be very alert. It's not a joke. Be very, very alert of Nyoma air cost in times like this. Now, if you want to me, who say ampa, Brunya Busumi we no, what did ye na bibia akoso kama. Edi amao nti share so say china so nyame adoma enim he ya Adom FM ono so ono Carol's night no ono share so hanam say multimedia premise ya nti harmonious choir adventist for aneba abeto adwom kese pa de ama eye sa adwumedi we bitima koso e try home minute ba ko aba ye ba akacho ye nkomo no ye chance ya enisa ye ko aba yen kwa o man so quickly na ni nkomo ba ko mi bi da fe yen ni nkomo Angel afisiapa oh Angel what was say Paramount Chief men kasa kase sa o oh anytime you have Angel Kabonu either you have two things either we are going to talk about welfare of the Ghanaian worker or there's a deadline for them to go on strike. So at this point Angel, 27th. Is it a reality or you are talking behind the scenes?
Yeah, we hope and pray we don't get there. And that I was expecting that by now the Ministry of Finance would have even withdrawn, looking at the argument that is coming up and the positions that are being raised by academics and industry players. But as now you and I are talking, we have not heard anything from the ministry. The way it is going, when we get, and we are hearing that they want to use certain legal means to restrain us, it will not work. It will not work. But they are just putting us into confrontation and into conflict. It will not work.
Okay, but Angel, also just to say, Ansana, the ministry, finance in this case, to sa na mon we no, omo any more any kita ho bia any nkomo bia asie, ansana omo tu sa na mon we.
Baby, omo ne andi kita ho bia, Farmers Day. And minister and French, now for friends, no. So for no need to media say
but said they were talking to the managers before they come to Muankasa, Modisi Kaneko.
But the managers don't have any authority. The managers are employed by me. And if I say me, I'm not talking about me in person. But the managers are employed by me to invest my money on my behalf. It is his duty as a manager to come and tell me that, oh, if I invest here, it is profitable. Oh, the values are falling in this area. So I'm willing to change from this area to that area. Because his duty is to make sure that I maximize my values. Now, me call retirement, now infrastructure, abamisikaso. So, I do not know the manager here.
But the information is that these fund managers 100% convinced. So the next step was the next step was to get to
as at Monday, the first deadline in Bayern, no pension fund and no other fund applied to be on the debt exchange program. And as I'm talking to you today 22nd,
yeah,
no fund have hooked on to the minister's debt exchange program.
As we are speaking this morning, Monya let be an alert be for a meeting, probably to try and negotiate or convince.
David.
Then I'm also more 2070.
Yes, of course. After 27, the conditions here one. Announce that pension funds are not part of the debt exchange program. We are waiting to hear that announcement. The first announcement in Baya, French media, press conference, friend meeting here, Sadano, and to my phone na Adom FM Kavo, Opia private and public, Opia the Nijuma Betufo.
Na ade na moma yanti ase se aban akire asechire de sia ka akire se ebra yewomi or struggle with yesikasem. And one of the means obetimi ariske na wa hwe se odi sika bi be free wa toto nyo mama akire no wa hwe ama bibi akoboko no ade na mo yenye adwene se odi yentie no kransa anza me akotu sa na mo.
Oh, say ma announcement last week. The whole last week, announcement, and then 22nd, Yama 27th. So Yama more than 2 weeks on making that announcement. So you're but you see, I buy a catcher and say, amount for bread, Ghana, in Sikasemi, Ghana. I buy Nankasani here and say, you will hear your move.
I buy the door,
and now for Parliament. Accra International Conference Center. Conference Center na ewo hospital na omupe bushie bi people from. Ni eto su mi enu. Sika 8 million. Amudi atu nchen say. Yefansi National Cathedral. So to me the song who say na mpakra say Ghana aban ejitu say yo amunyema na say so government's own behavior does not indicate say you are.
Okay, so
you can say the size of government. Some of the so-called flagship programs are You don't do that when you are in a financial crisis.
But say okoka say eye cathedral hon komo. Now saba ekoka say National Theatre ebubu asi eno so sika so na ye twa to so ye kosre machine bedwafo so monyintum. Nti saa nneoma we kire say aban no enda nsu ni ban bi kire or in terms of the Sikasema, you're also not being fair to the government because Sebi, me show before there. You see, Sukra ejai him in as much as Labour Front, you know, you know, Mugusu aiding Komoa, ye trade no, and no interest other aspect of Ghana in Puntuni in the Kankono, and see a jar towards answer. It's a balancing act. So whilst we look at infrastructure, we're also looking at the Labour Front. Just as I say.
See, the government should stop all government activity. You see, answer
fata.
And I hear before you hear fata. So see, I working. Many are no cafe. Uchi the pass cathedral na and here I say you see at the time. Uchi the pass say papa any sika. Oba buni fie na otima mu nyina dem say okwa ko sifu from. And secondly, no, I'm not a problem here, yeah, problem. And yeah, I'm more quite the Bushian Amononi on the open market, no. What people consult to be said because you Bushia will because Bushian, yeah, many years, no. Did we know when we had to stop? Did we know when we have to stop? But it's the calculations that we are buying. I'm a buyer who said there are other areas that we could also do engineering where without taxing pension funds. Look, me no cafe. Any of you are diabetes, and I'll be so BP. That diabetes me BP, me sika or the channel solo. Sika why invest interest na about African solo.
And audition.
And on the tornado.
Exactly.
Oh, and on the tornado. So see, I won't say a fear ebe. Over 0%. Sika pen go yi ever got on the drew. Well, so honestly speaking, the government is not being fair to the workers of this country.
But probably the air hard unit kakra so they say me best me sa na ban but say 27th party deadline aban aware there. It's getting late too, Anna.
That is why that's why I'm wondering whether the government is looking at the situation. Look, maybe I'm no cafe.
Angel, Omahini Kwabna Santini.
Omahini Kwabna. Oh, I'm about to say.
Boko.
Good. You see, Omahini, look, maybe or what? Even if you are my brother or my father, I me can't carry you. If we are in crisis as a country, let us behave as such. Yes, let us behave as such. You see, and let me tell you honestly, and maybe we can't currently say Ghana for now. The Ghanaians will rally behind you. Don't be afraid that you will lose the election. No. The people know that we are all in the pitch together. Let us speak facts to each other. And let me drop my hat to some MPP functionaries who have decided to put Ghana in front of their political party. I interact with a lot of them, and they speak to the fact that look, Ghana boy, there will be no political party.
Exactly.
So let us stick to the fact. Now, opposition party, but the idea politics,
exactly.
Then we are all moving together.
Exactly.
Well, but if I have a father in the house, now they are find a car or call restaurant, they could be find a car or call Gineni. Now I'm a catcher with myself. Became will be 1 meal a day. How can that be possible? So that is exactly what. And then again, we have given government alternatives. As we speak, your cabinet ministers and your other ministers. So for the cabinet ministers, we can say that those are made up of essential ministries. The other ministries and your cabinet ministries, look, can we merge some of them? That is number one. Number two, other social expenditure. Meaning we can say free senior high school. For people who are of boarding house, your man breakfast, lunch, supper, and that person sleeps in the dormitory for free, uses government electricity and water for free. And I'll be on your day students of initiate and local school. He doesn't enjoy boarding school facilities. He does not also enjoy eating 3 times a day. Can we revisit this free senior high school issue? May cancel boarding schools. But I am saying that some people pay for their boarding luxury and allow tuition to be for free. By so doing, you free resources to be able to redistribute those resources for the development of the schools in another way.
But Angel, we see
ourselves as Ghanaians.
But Angel,
listen to each other.
Angel,
I mean, the media can moderate the conversation. We are ready for this conversation. At the end of the day, no one becomes a winner. No one becomes a loser.
Okay, so Angel, on this matter of free SHS, you when it comes to the academia, you think that the continuous sustenance of this free SHS, a disservice to Ghanaians and a disservice to scarce resources, Nana?
Oh, the concept now of it's a very good concept. The concept to provide education to people who don't have the means is very good. And we support that concept. We are implementing free SHS for 6 years now. There is the time, and in fact, the truth of the matter is a kind of mini government because the financial outlay is very huge. So, for me, your friend saying buffer stock for the way buffer stock is struggling and the debt that buffer stock has because they could not pay contractors, food contractors, and so on and so forth. So at the end of the day, your community day schools, your day schools, for example, a school like Accra High, a day school. So for that, Accra High, they don't enjoy boarding, they don't enjoy 3 meals a day, they don't enjoy sleeping. Is it fair that all your day students enjoy 3 square meals a day? So what do we do? Can we cut down the cost and say, look, I am going to give you free tuition. I'm going to give every student in Ghana free tuition. However, if you select to be in the boarding house, you pay your own boarding fee. But our boarding fee is still crazy. My headmaster said they should determine the boarding fee. Because the people are Ghanaians, so that no one is making profit out of the boarding fee. Why can't we sit down as a people and decide on matters like this?
Okay, so Onyame Adoma say Monte in Komobia and free Abaimu specifically to more directives Abai say there are not going to be any deductions whatsoever from our fund now. Anything less or more Biano Montiasie.
Oh, from 27th and both private sector. Because private sector workers you pay it.
Yeah, of course. The overcatcher is here nearby. Yet, not the can sit down on a total strike.
In fact, the medical services, graduated because of the essential nature of their service.
Okay.
So you start here medical service from was step 1, step 2, step 3. The step 1, a minimal withdrawal because of the sensitivity of their jobs. Wow, and I know that the media too, you also have to be reporting on, so therefore we will not expect a total shutdown from media. But as the days go, you see, I pray the Minister of Finance to just listen to good reason and make this announcement.
But this is clear. You have 5 days more for this big thing to be happening before the year ends. And looking at the approach of government, you see, is it clear that, or they are waiting till probably on the 27th morning? Then
that will be very dangerous. That would be very dangerous. Because our brothers and sisters in the industrial area in Tema, they don't just get up and go on strike. They take certain steps before they go on strike.
And I the court is right, illegal.
See, but when you do that, you have a situation. But you want to lights cut off. But you want to ensure cut off. But you want to wait.
Hey, Angel.
When they do that one,
it's
very, very dangerous.
But I know your court is what some say. Muni who can say Mutusa and one monk on go in come. Now,
some are my conjuma. That's why I say, Minister, I buy and say, yes, I like to go home.
Oh, Angel.
You say a machine.
A machine, I call.
You see, we don't have to get here.
Okay.
Who is Kenofurata 7? Kenofurata is serving me and you.
Exactly.
So if Kenofurata is serving me and you, it is the duty of Kenofurata to listen to me and you. You see, nobody is God's gift to us. Nobody is God's gift to us. We are all people in this country serving at different levels and at different platforms.
I see.
There is no need at this stage for to be ever intransigent.
I'm seeing more of a restraint from the court, which will not allow you to go on your 27th, and further instruct you for further punishment if you go.
Oh, you see, if the court rules, we will announce that we have obeyed the court. But the whole Accra benya blackout.
Oh,
wow. Industrial services now, VRA. Engineer, light, how is the court going to manage that?
I see.
Except Dr. Mouth, 50 milligram of anti-malaria. Now, Ubano Kacha say syringe now say, how is the court going to control that?
Okay,
so you see, good reason should rather prevail than court action.
I see.
Because if I do our hospital, who did not court Nibu? Now, who do Yaria say on hell or better hell?
That's true. Angel, I pray we don't get to that point.
I also pray seriously we don't get to that point.
Because the one man who agree me and then he says, "Say mono, say court ni nimna so obem wo sa na manu mo so mu wo kwan mo de court be fa so a mu mra bia so ba ye ne be so fa."
Yes, yembo bra bia so. Yembo bra bia so, but it will not be good for Ghanaians. And it's not good for we ourselves.
Oh, I see. Always good to talk to Angel Kabonu. Always good to talk to Angel Kabonu.
Thank you very much.
You may share what sempa. I want you to be able to talk more.
So serious.
Okay, thank you so much, Angel Kabonu. It's getting serious because the countdown 5 days more. Labor front, private, public. You know, abai ukoyi sikabi. Siya sikabi diye mauyi. Inti brana oni enkomo fan manager said dika ko kasa. Yenye ya dwene se ye ne wo be kasa osu chinchine a wo be kasa. You know CJ betrase, you know academy to do yeah course am je fi wedding ni see ntimi mantem. Ya ko ya ba. The academy to do na say be din komo dia. Yes de ne be fra. It is a very serious issue, Mr. So on tiasia de make nyina ne say abana montuo bi efasikasem ho a ye de akora ama yekoya home gym a ye be koso atoto ye nru ya hwe won kakra no eno na ye asika ne ye dia no yesi da bi da adabra kasa asika ne ntiase e ma aban fa de sanka enti aban so nka nkire yo won na ade akoje omo se omo hwe so man no won no bom na aban no makodi nkomo won so ni sutu mi se yen sika ade akomo omo no omo ni tu sa na mo no bra omo ni yen medi nkomo ndu hwe me se aban ni yen medi nkomo wie ansa na yen yatimi aka tre sa nkomo ko se nkomo aban ni ye di ni de aye ni so yakoma to yem enti afa de betima mam kwan se sa hyehyɛ ne mom aban kwan no ne mom fanko but emma sa de is impossible ye ka se so no sa aban bunani agusu o sa aban susu se ono nti se dogobi no abe o aban ya ka kyere se nyame adma bronya bosumu yare de aduonu so 27th ene aban chia yam ebi be kɔ no prekope ebi so be kɔ no kakra won na wa pomden die nim no ebe si nne aban ni isi nkonwa. And it's very worrying. Very, very dangerous. Very, very worrying. All of us, inclusive. In the end, what has nothing to do with public or private. We are whether public or private sector. You are working. So, Mr. Rabbi, teach your finance minister and the deputies and all the relevant stakeholders that this is the time to demonstrate to say you are better negotiators in Timo Copronetia. Money and Nkomoyi, Nkoma, Arachichirum, Autosum, and Koma, a bit mammy who say Nami and Mukurini, Asema, Yakano, he 2 sana morning pa. Yes, you are Casachemos, Amunti, yes, you are Casam, yet we catch them say, Mo minister see Dosu to Monteso. You catch them with the Biada. You catch them as a powerful, maybe you cabinet ministers, ministry Sibia Kawa, Ubeti, Miaka Bumna, Bear Bako. They be at the Imas. Say, Osha, priority power this time, power dear, Sabi, Ubia Nyabrunsam, they will wait million, at the Court Cathedral, at the one day, Echo Bubu National Theatre, as in the floor, Uncle you, but Shabrina, it is uncommon. And I'll say, a Bribia, Papa, so that there is always what I say, yeah, the echoes were a bravo. Own farm. That's the danger. On this note, Sabi Jamfi, Aquaba.
Any visit?
I said, one of again. Wow, just say, Biano. And when he plays, me, I'm who I am, so. And then they be late, because yes, I'm not here. You're upon late. No crap, no, you're upon late. Nipa do how I do, maybe, no free formal life. No could run you formal life. Look at Christ upon who be a.
And when you cross the traffic,
they too much.
Traffic.
A traffic will I don't pay
seriously.
I don't pay
you. Traffic will come. Take Rano, near me to me more things, and I will name it down. And I didn't do it. I'm here, my min chair, one fan chairman, MZ.
Debbie, but I say, I don't pay traffic come there about them.
Traffic room.
Oh, wow. She just wrap up because I gave you over to
you. My name is Uncle Moede. If you as it did no 2017, Bra Bangi Koje Bosia be born be Franklin Templeton. About $2.25 billion. What about Bonting baby? I'm going to master. When I arrest CD, I find Cousin. I bang Bosia or Bobby Brebe. I went to me and find a baby. I bet him a day, Fantoma by, I bet him dear Chia Bosia Yabon. And a day a baby do baby away. And I'll be here. Ghana Dingpa or baby say, or many day, what do honey, into Empa on Bosia. Maybe on Vanco did you maybe nature the brain. Ye didn't cancer her among her no be. Ya or manga young baby, I would about baby and say, Ye Quabosia in Tia or Naquia or Fanono or to into Yaka, Jankedi. Inti a bang Numa weddi, Wabosia boom, at the Ababy do baby. He say no quite so fashion uncle, Chia, Bosia bon home phantom, and so cries I ask him. And also I ask him, I watch a bidding. Nankana, what can good governance are? A bang or homa or manful. Inti se bibi na pesa ya only a manful be yensusu. And I'm a boy. We see a gua. Oh, him, son of a pesa me new. A yen in a sika. Just a head I make a sukeke. Besame de quite sadi. My dream 100 deng. But banging by 2017 bepimende. So sorry, a man for better than say dinkomo, a ding sauce, a dinkitaho, and son of our implementing policy.
That's very worrying.
Onye bida. Onye bida. Abang onye bida. What a to among us so many are now abang otisi or practicing good governance. Enye bini. Nyo peso yen and no peso ye. Because one time in Casep obisika or the amount and I be do through whatever means. O pesa ye bibi first can ho. E bia woman and phantom. E bia pesa woman haircut na igusa e disankomo ya. Oh, sana me pesa me yini. Stakeholders momra ne nkasa. Because SK is and could be at the quarter cement sabri no na. Na be an cement one bag. E be bia 20 cedis. Sabri no. Ti go to me see ni den bi no so ma me fan koye investment. Eti e bia e be do bra me kwa ahomegye mu no. Na sika na wo. Phantom fufura be count e bia menya bebre. Benya sa na ekosuni. Enya sa na ekosuni. Eti oman what the to President Mahama ban ho a na de bia ye kan. Ye to make situation Ghana no IMF, this is about the 17th times I echo. Yeah. Let's just say, young memuno and as a man, Yensika Semino, echo stroke a crana bafum kakra. Oh, and yes, stable. Obi a jetum. Tino's economy are very fragile. And yeah, there because they're robust. Maybe a bit mark on one, but two conform her and Tessa. Interbribia muno, as a CSIM, a president Mahama Breswa, echo challenge him. Doom so by young oil, tide bearing, the basis soon, they probably buy home. Young major export commodities price ne drop cocoa drop oil drop ni oye ne say yen sin konwa e na kofa senche
homegrown policy
exactly and nti yakọ IMF sabre be kaya ya mre yenim ni ayekọ akoye ya mo ata so e ni ebetima fa so a ye betime de raise yen revenue e ni ebe fa so de be cut yen expenses and as yen expenditure nti ya mre asetina no gitahudi no ye ko ma na fai ampaniampa because of say na ya boye mbra nya so bi no ba be gina echi e de abasi ye nkon so yes ade wa anya ma ebro no it will say from 2015 to 2016 na niama asesakra ye nua no ba ya wo hu so wa mpa Ghana wa goodwill ye nya oil ye yinsi kasem ya tutu ni ye nya ba fese bit ma boam ye timi ebu ma na ko nanim no e na ode no be dan boso ya bo e na we je be fe de SMP e bi ode akodu
oh position to be jaw
there be o man your position ni party asemo be be o man na kwakodu anamebwa
that's correct
what try uchi nti o what na efe fatao me na da o ye okay so position asemo be o man na kodu no
next year
any inscription be apart from
next year I mean add more the prescriptions but why more solutions to the challenges that we have as a country
President Mahama nti won dey da
no more the baba
the President Mahama
in fear na bia no Musa Chira Moni Swadi hunu
I agree manifesto breakdown nso ye President Mahama fi ase kire na adwen ni asesa aban ye na Ghana tumpon ebi na kokan yi say ye wo agencies bu ha yebetimi amage ye wo ministry yebetimi amage ezesi yi ministers ni bifim because what does do
okay so happy birthday happy birthday Samuel Kwabna Tewia 70 years every Lord Tewia multimedia correspondent or a Takra de and a by and daddy happy birthday Samuel Kwabna Tewia oba a Lord Tewia and a wish you and a bush for you know we appreciate you so much. It's happy Christmas. Merry Christmas,
yeah. Nti mama fa kwanya so na memo bia nso afishia pa. Menim se be san share bi wansa na.
E be share. Ojami aduma.
And na ma reserve.
Bye bye.